is my uniform? You said that we were going to amend it this weekend, so let us go.
Yes, actually I did, but your father is not yet back. Your father is not yet back. The truth is, you see this your uniform is now very old. So instead of mending it, keep mending it, and after it will tear again, let's wait so that when your father comes back, he will give me money to make new one for you and your brother.
Mom, why do you talk as if he cares?
Shh, don't say that. Your father cares about you and your brother.
No, he doesn't. I may be a little girl, but I understand that he doesn't care about us. Stop trying to protect him. He doesn't deserve it.
Emeka.
Happiness. You people are not going to the tailor shop again. Imagine mommy saying that daddy will come back from Port Harcourt and give her money to buy us new uniforms. Which daddy? We all know daddy doesn't like us. And she's defending him. Well, let us hope he will change for good. Let's keep hoping.
My husband is back with a new car. Sonny! Happiness! Your father is back! My husband, you're welcome. Our new car is fine. Your daddy is back. Daddy!
How are you people?
Our new car is fine.
Oh, it's actually not our car. The car actually belongs to someone. So it's gonna be here for just a little. What are you doing? Can you stop what you're doing? Put that thing back into the car.
Daddy, I thought you bought it for us.
I am talking here. Put that thing back into the car. Did I say she bring it out?
But my husband, that's biscuits and granules, other snacks.
Who told you that's biscuits and granules? Put it back there. Sonny, please go to the front of the car. There's a bread there. That one is for you. Go and bring it. Gently, bring the bread. Why are you slamming the door like that now? Don't slam the door anyhow. Take the bread and go inside. That one is you people's own. What are you looking at? If the bread is not enough, tomorrow I'll buy another bread. If it's jumbo size you want, I'll buy jumbo size tomorrow. Oh, I'm forgetting something. I'm supposed to put this inside the house. Very important. Please, lest I forget, nobody should go close to this car. You see this car? Even yourself, don't even go close. The car doesn't belong to us,
My husband, are you going out again?
Yes, I have a few things to take care of. I'll be back soon.
So, girlfriend, tell me, between Alhaji and Emeka, who is your serious date? What's funny?
Love it. I thought you should know me by now. Omo, I beg. I am not dating any of them. I'm not dating anyone. I am just cashing out, making money.
I use what I have, these natural endowments, organic, not handmade, not Granville, to get what I want. That is what I'm doing. I'm cashing out. I don't have anything serious with any of that. Simple. Please. Who is born to suffer in this generation? I am not born to suffer. I don't even want to suffer. That's the goal, to enjoy myself in this campus. Nothing else. Ah.
Babe, you and I know very well that Emeka loves you with all his heart. Try and reciprocate the love.
Know that he loves me. But he's married. He's talking about love with a married man, please.
Before Emeka got married, he tried everything possible to win your heart, but you rejected him.
I rejected him because he was a poor church rat. He was a village church rat. I am allergic to poverty. Yes, I am using what I have, these natural endowments, organic, not Granville, not handmade, to get what I want. Now that he's married and he has made money, I just want to enjoy his money in peace. Nothing else. Please. Talk about the devil. Okay. Let me pick. Hello. Good afternoon. You're where? In my hostel? You didn't tell me you're coming home this weekend. Okay, I'm coming out. He's here. Let me go see him.
Okay? I am waiting right here. Go get.
Hello, babe. That's my baby. Yeah. How are you?
Oh, you even bought a new car.
Oh, come on. As for the car, it's not mine. Come here.
You're welcome. Welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're looking so beautiful.
What did you buy for me?
Oh, yeah, that reminds me. I actually got you something. A boy's in the car.
Mm-hmm.
Something of hurry today.
Mm-hmm.
I came empty-handed.
Mm-hmm. I can't wait.
I can't be coming to see my baby without bringing
Oh,
anything.
shit.
You know that, yeah? Go on it. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Go ahead.
You know what I like. You
Oh,
do
yours.
know what I
Oh,
like.
come on.
You do know. Thank you, baby.
Anything for you, darling.
Thank you.
You know what? As a matter of fact, how about you going to drop this inside, then you come out to have a surprise for you? Let me take you somewhere you like.
You know how much I love surprises.
Anything for you.
Okay, baby. I'll see you soon. I'm coming.
I'll wait for you. Hurry up.
Oh my God, this is what we got.
Oh my God. All this goodies for us.
You and who? It's for me, not for us.
Babe, am I not your bestie again?
Yeah, keep your bestie. Because it has gotten to good deny you're not your bestie. Anyways, I'm coming. He said he has another surprise for me. So I am going for the next surprise.
Babe, let me come with you guys now.
You say, please, please, please. 3 is a crowd. Just stay, enjoy these ones, just enjoy from it. I'm coming. I'll see.
Bring one, come back.
Okay, I'm here. Let's go. By the way, who owns this car? Is he your colleague in the office or in Port Harcourt?
Okay, what if I should tell you that the owner of this car is here with us?
I don't understand. Wait. Where are you taking me to? What about the surprise package you said you have for me?
We are there already. And the surprise is there too. The surprise is here. What are you saying?
Don't mess with my brain, please. Don't mess with my brain. Are you telling me you bought this car for me? Yes. Oh my God. Are you serious?
Oh, this is your car. Have a look at it.
Oh my goodness.
You see, the fact is I've always loved you from the very first time I met you. The very first day I set my eyes on you, like, I haven't been able to help myself since then.
If she wants you to marry her now, that's the right thing to do now. Marry her. That's the right thing to do.
How can you open your mouth and be sounding that way? That if I want to marry her, I should marry her. How can you be suggesting I should marry a woman I don't even love?
Bam, 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 bam. Mika, don't go there. What are you saying? Huh? When your parents died, this girl was your parent. I mean, she was a sibling you never had. That girl worked tirelessly. I can recall everything she did for you to go to school and even trained you to university level. Oh, okay, you thought she was doing that because she's always saying she's doing Oluchukwu. She did those things because she loves you. Nah, look, let me tell you, you must marry her. You cannot, but you can't run away.
Wait, let me ask you a sensitive question. If you're loving someone or if you're in love with someone, is it not imperative that you also look and find out if that person loves you as well?
What are you saying? What are you saying? Just listen to yourself. This kind of love, make come for me now. Make woman train me now. Make me marry the woman.
Go for her now.
You don't have shame.
Don't insult me.
You are an ingrate.
It is not because I called you to come and do this.
You are an ingrate. I'll live here. I'll live here.
Are you threatening me?
I'll live there.
I'll go here.
That party on Saturday will not go with me. Don't try.
Who will pay for this merinda? If you leave here without my consent, who will pay for the merinda?
I will owe 1 year Saba now.
Who is she?
Who is who? That girl.
Who is she?
That saucy girl. That is Ike's daughter now. That woman that refused to get married.
My goodness.
She stayed in her father's house and training her children.
Boy, this is my
house.
exact spec of a woman. This is everything I want in a woman.
Well, calm down.
But look, please, I've seen the kind of woman I want.
Susanna has everything she has.
It's a lie, my friend. They are not the same size. Okay, Mama, you're come back here. They are not the same. Hello, Mama. Hi. Excuse me.
Yes?
Hi. My name is Emeka. I'm the son of
I know who you are. And why did you stop me?
I never knew you already know me. That shows we're already flowing. I wanted to let you know that I like you. You see, you are everything I wanted in a woman. From head to toe, you are just a perfect woman for me. If you can give me an opportunity, I will spoil you. I will show you what it means to be a queen and how to take care of that same queen.
Really?
Yes.
Emeka.
Yes.
After you deceived Susanna, after she trained you through school, she gave her life for you, and you want to chase after another woman? Eh?
Why is everybody saying the same thing? Why is everyone in this village saying the same thing, that I did this to Susanna, I did that to Susanna? I didn't do anything to Susanna. The only issue here is that I never loved her. I wonder why people want me to marry a woman that I don't love. Simply because she played the mother role when I lost my mother. She was there to console me and be there for me. It's not the most that must end up marrying the kind of person that was there. Simply because she did me a favor. It doesn't work that way now. Why is everyone now saying as if I did something wrong to the girl?
A woman you love, you say, Emeka.
Yes, and you're that woman I love. See, just give me a chance, What I will do with this your life, You see this your gold hair that is shining. By the time I come into your life, I will shine it very well. It's not like palm oil. It will spark.
Look at me very well. Check me out.
You're so beautiful.
Did you see poverty written on my body? Huh? I am allergic to poverty. I am allergic to poor men. Did you hear that? If you ever in your entire life stop me to spit this rubbish you just spit now, I would make sure I pour water on your face.
See, there's something about me that you don't know. I don't want to say it now and it will not look as if I'm singing praises, but it's the reality. You see where I'm looking now? This is not sign of poverty because I have not told you before. If you know the guy that is standing before you now, you will just hold me and pamper me and roll me a shawarma. I'm telling you. See, I am a graduate of chemical engineering. I actually came out with first class. Men like me in oil company are collecting thousands of dollars every month. See, just give us a chance. You will not regret it. I am a millionaire in making, oh. Forget this thing you're seeing here.
Mr. Millionaire in making.
I'm telling you, I make a millionaire in making.
Mr. Millionaire in making. When your millions have matured, I'm sure you know where to find me. Right? But for now, take your stinky, dirty, poverty self out of my face. Rubbish. Idiot. Nonsense. Rubbish.
Yo.
What? Don't come close to me, oh. Just stay away from me, oh.
Well, let me take a toast.
Why are you laughing now? What is funny in this matter now?
Amy Beke, I told you. Next time, know the kind of girls to stop on the road.
You see, for this thing she just said to me, I must date this girl. I'm telling you the truth. There's something I learned here now. She just awoken the spirit of making money in me.
How why?
She just made the fire to burn more.
Okay.
See, let me tell you something, There's no way I will not get you in this life. I will make money and come back for you. And I'll remind you of this day.
Go for Susanna. She has everything that girl has.
The scale of preference is not the same. Boss, look at the scale of preference. This is my spec.
You are an ingrate. Emeka, you are an ingrate.
You don't insult me.
Let me laugh again.
Why are you laughing?
Woke ni ife.
What did I do wrong? What have I done? Haven't we been living together as man and woman? Making love, spending time together? Come on now, what else do you want me to do?
Well, I've been meaning to ask you this question. Why is it that I love you so much and I don't get that same return? I don't get that same love from you. You don't reciprocate the love I have for you. Do you know how that makes me feel? I am willing to go over the moons and make you feel like the woman you should be. The cruise queen across the planets. But you're not giving me the vibe that I should get from you.
Baby, please, don't digress my love for you. You just bought me a car. And this calls for celebration. Let's go out and celebrate. Okay, I promise. We will revisit this matter. We will talk about it. Is that alright? But for now, I love you.
That's not enough.
I promise. We will revisit this matter. This is my only.
Marry me. Please. Marry me.
Like I said, we'll talk about it.
It's okay.
Oh my goodness, this guy is so beautiful. I love the interior, the leathers. Oh my goodness. Oh my I love everything about it. I need to go out with my friends. We need to celebrate. Hey.
What is it? What is it now?
Guess.
What?
Just guess.
What?
Baby, guess now.
Come on.
Yes!
I'm not good
Okay,
in
let me
guessing.
drop you the bomb. Emeka just bought me a car.
They lie.
Yes, it's a true. It's a true. Do you know what? I am not even joking. I couldn't even believe what just happened there. Your bestie is now a car owner.
They lie. Oh my God.
Come on, come on. Yes, now what happened?
What happened?
I mean the car that you went out with.
Well, I told you the car is not mine.
I suppose it belongs to one of your colleagues in oil and gas sector now in Port Harcourt. So I'm wondering where you took the car around this place.
What sort of stupid question is that? Eh? Why are you asking me stupid question this afternoon? Listen, I'm not cut out for this.
Sorry, wait, Chero. Anyway, that aside, let's talk the one that is most important now. Egoni. We don't have anything in this house. We are starving. Your children's school uniform are torn. Others Kahendala, please. Just give me some money. I need to buy some food stuff and also arrange their school uniform. Oh, Biko.
What has come over you? Exactly what has come over you? I mean, when did you degenerate into this woman that you are now? Because back in the days, when things were rough, you used to be this hard-working woman that would work from morning till evening, from hours to hours, just to take care of two of us. Ever since you got married and we have kids, you don't do any of those things anymore. All you do is to create this impression that you're the one doing this, doing that. Go and work like other people and put something on the table for the kids too.
You are the one who is getting it wrong. Ezioku Makachi, you are the one who is getting it wrong. I did everything to make sure you acquire good education and now you have a good job. You expect me to still go out there to do menial jobs. Can I help your water?
Oh, wonderful.
I am now a married woman, married to a rich man not into oil and gas. I should have some rest.
Oh.
Please, let's have some money for Egoni.
Oh.
I'm not asking you money for hair. I'm not asking for vacation. I'm not asking for moto. Just no.
Fine, please. I see. Keep raving. You want to shout. You want everybody to know that you trained me in school. Let me help you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. She was one that saw me through school. Now I have passed the information to the world. Are you okay now?
Please, I'm not okay. I need some money.
You need to work like other women too.
Stop sounding as if I'm lazy now.
No, but you know you're lazy. At the
How?
moment you're very lazy. You're supposed to be footing the bills too with me. You don't sit back and cross your leg as if you're the only woman in the world who has ever saw a man through school.
You're not footing any bill. You need foot to be like when school uniform. There's nothing at home. Absolutely nothing. Chukwuemeka, Biko. I am begging you in the name of God. Give us money.
Can you excuse me?
I'm not blocking you. I'm just appealing to your conscience. Are you this heartless?
Are you too heartless?
Chukwuemeka, this is not what I prayed for. This is not.
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful, not ready to be killed. All I need now money. I know cholo feature if you fall in. I'm allergic to poverty. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. I know they talk to poor men. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. If you show up, I trap you. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. Maintenance it be costly. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. Mwami fanalo. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. Whatever I need, I take it. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime. I be correct runs girl. I be fine girl, ready to cash out anytime.
No, this cannot happen. I'm giving you that money. that money would solve the problem.
It will not solve it. How can
What do you mean?
Which problem can I solve with 3,000?
So if I live in this house with these children, this is what you have to tell me.
Are they not your children? Who will take care of them?
So does it mean you cannot do anything without me? Is that what you're trying to tell me? You cannot take care of these children in my absence? Oh, please.
Biko, I beg you in the name of God Almighty. I was now. Stop pretending. Stop being wicked. You know 3,000 naira cannot do anything for us in this house. Your kids' school clothes are torn. I need to go and sew it. They don't have snacks. We'll still enter transport to school. A whole lot of things. In the 3,000 naira. What is all this now?
Why are you like this, Susanna?
I should be asking you.
Susanna, why are you like this? I'm asking you. See, gone are the days in marriage where the financial responsibility is left for the man alone. Nowadays, the woman comes and meets the man halfway, and they both come and work as synergy to run their family. But yours, no. You want to stay back and retain the old system of marriage. Time has changed. The woman works and the man works. If I'm giving you 3,000 naira, I expect you to dig your hands into your pocket and make this up and solve the family problem, and don't disturb me. I hate stress. Please, don't disturb my life. Don't stress me.
What do you mean? So it is now you know that man supposed to come halfway, woman come halfway. Look at me, Chukwuemeka. Do I look like somebody her husband is seeing money? It is already bad enough you're not taking care of me. Insobadro, how about your children? How about your beautiful daughter and your adorable son? Won't you take care of them? It has gotten to the extent that they already know that their father don't care about them. You're giving me 3,000 naira. You earn millions every month. Wear good clothes. Live in a mansion. Drive any car of your choice. Go to club and pop champagne. But you cannot take care of your family. And some man come halfway. You have not even come. You have not done as much as I have done for this family.
If only you understand how difficult it is right now. The economy is so bad, but you won't understand because all you do is to stay back at home from morning till night. You don't know what is happening out there. Times are very hard. There's no money anywhere. Take the 3,000 and go solve the problem. Don't disturb my life, please.
This will not be enough to solve the problem.
Susanna, I said use the 3,000 and solve the family problem.
There is nothing I can solve with 3,000.
Susanna, dip your hands in your pocket. You know how to dip your hands. Find something and put on the 3,000 naira and solve a family problem. Please, do not disturb me. I've said this before. Don't disturb me, please.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart.
Yes.
Mom, why are you angry?
No, I'm okay.
Mom, Dad doesn't like us. Are you sure he's our dad?
Why are you talking that? Shh. Don't say that. He loves you people, okay? You don't have to say that about your father. He's your father. So, have you people eaten the food I kept for you?
We're not hungry. Yes, we're not hungry.
No, you people have to eat. Oh yeah, stand up. Let's go inside. Let's go. Don't think your father don't love you. Oh, he loves you. Let's go. Let's go. You have to eat.
They live in a big house, well furnished. But look at the food they are eating. God, why? You said your blessings make rich and add no sorrow. Why is my own different? How can my children be suffering in the midst of wealth? What kind of wickedness is this? Why is my husband's heart turned perpetually against me? I thought that the coming of these children would have made him love me, appreciate me, value me, and treat me right. A woman that gave you a son and a daughter. Hasn't she tried? Please, God, you have to do something before I lose my mind. Please. Please. Please.
Has she bought a car?
Nay, that is what I'm hearing. And I'm very sure it was Emeka that bought that car for her. I'm very, very sure.
Yes, it is true. Because I saw Emeka last weekend in this car. And last weekend, he visited in this very car.
How could Emeka be so senseless and irresponsible, leaving his wife and children in the village while he's busy lavishing money on that his side chick?
Chai, this is so bad. Eh? This is so bad. This is power of juju.
Abi.
Yes, now. How can a man in his right senses leave his wife and children to suffer while his side chick is busy, as in living large? Eh? This is juju.
All those girls do for money these days, eh? Scares me, oh. Scares me.
My sister, leave that one, oh.
Anyways, let's go. I'll put myself in trouble.
Honestly.
Mama, come outside. Your daughter has made it. Look at this. Look at this, Mama. This is my car. What are you saying? I said my car. Check it out. This car belongs to you. Yes, Mama. Hey! Ogono! Let them come and see. Manike has organized. You mean this guy is yours? You can say that again, Mama. This guy is yours. That's from me. That's from me. Doris has made it. Can I open it? Doris, open it, Mama. Doris has made it. Hey! You people should come and see me. Yes. Open go. It's happening small. Oh, go. Yes, Mama. That's for me. That's for me. That's my Mama. Yes. Oh, your daughter has made it. Susanna. Susanna, why are you crying? What is the problem? Why are you looking like this? I have warned you to stop crying for Emeka. He's not worth it. Just look at you. Your face, your eyes are swollen. Life did not leave me with any other option than to cry. Who will be humiliated and subjected to this magnitude of suffering that would not cry? It cannot be easy. It's not easy. Susanna, Biko, stop doing this to yourself. Stop crying. Seriously, you're causing more harm to yourself, to your health. Biko, I came to see if you can lend me some money. Yes, I've decided to face my fate. I've decided to go back to my normal menial job so that I can survive and take care of my children. I've made up my mind to face this reality squarely with everything in me. That's why I'm here. Susanna, what are you talking about? Because I don't get it here. I thought my husband getting a good job would permanently make me to stop suffering. I thought him being comfortable and, making money will make us happy or give us happy home. That's why I'm doing everything within my power to make sure I support my husband to succeed. Little did I know that the moment he starts making money, that is the day I will start suffering. Not just suffering, I will suffer more and even more. And if you see what I'm going through, you will not believe. So Emeka has refused to change. He's even worse. He's even worse. He came back after 1 month of leaving the house and gave me 3,000 naira. This 3,000 naira, there is no snacks for my kids. Their school uniforms are torn. I need to sew it. So many things that needs to be done. 3,000 naira in this economy, in this inflation. I don't understand how he wants us to survive. Hey, Emeka, this is pure wickedness. How can someone decide to be wicked to his own children, his own flesh and blood? Where is it done?
I don't know. It's very confusing. That's why I decided to come to you as my good friend. Biko, Nyerumaka, Biko. Okay. As for the money you asked about, how much do you want? Let me even see if I have up to that. 10,000 naira will go a long way. Source of 10,000 naira. No problem. Hope it will be enough for you. It will go a long way. Oh, Ebezina. Oh.
The loneliness I face, the endless tears I share, my heart is torn apart. Onyezikam gakoro.
How are you? I'm fine. I was coming to your place. To my place? Yes. Hope all is well.
Yes, ma. I just want to inform you that I'm ready to do any kind of menial job for you as usual. Washing clothes, washing plates, sweeping, weeding your farm. Anything, as long as you pay me.
I don't understand. Are you not married to Emeka again?
I'm still married. Anano.
Why the dirty job where your husband bought a brand new car for his girlfriend, Doris?
Emeka.
Susan.
My husband.
Are you not in this village? The news is everywhere. He bought a brand new car for his girlfriend. The girl is busy enjoying his money. And you're here, looking for dirty jobs to do. No, now. You're supposed to be enjoying the money, not the other way around. You've done enough.
Auntie, Kambia. Kambia, go home.
Thank you, ma. I'll get back. I'll get back.
Hello, man. What is it? I just heard something that is burning my head now. I just hope it's not true. I just pray they are exaggerating or joking or it's just a mere gossip.
Calm down and talk to me, Ogini.
That's my husband, Emeka, bought a car for his girlfriend.
You're just hearing it now. The news is everywhere. Yes, the news is everywhere. This is no longer news now. The girl, she has been cruising in the new car in school and at home. Yes, the news is everywhere. You see, Emeka, they are now the talk of the town in this village, oh. How was it Romeo and Juliet?
So they did not lie.
It's true now. It's true.
My husband bought a car for another woman. Maka, why? Why? Hey! Nkaga yikwa mara girl. Ara agbago.
Ikana yara Susanna.
Make it make sense. Make it make sense. What you na ota? Where's the hope na ota? Emeka bought that girl a car. Yes. Is that girl that did not contribute anything to his growth, to his existence, to his success, to this guy? Is this the best way to pay me?
Calm down. Please calm down. Please, calm down. Emeka doesn't deserve this, so don't kill yourself.
After everything I did for Emeka, now that I'm supposed to be enjoying, proper sodo, this is the best way to treat me. In a go side chick moto, a proper wife, 3,000 naira on a dabafo. Hey, I don't understand though. The thing is, it's just like a joke. I don't understand. What Eunice? What have I done to him? Why would he treat me this way? The wickedness is too much. I know that he's mad. He can't come.
Because of your kids.
No food, nothing. I am not complaining. It's okay, so
I'm not giving you the
Thank you for confirmation.
I'm not complaining, Biko. Susanna, please take it easy, oh. Take it easy. I know why I'm saying this. Your kids, they need you. Emeka. Hey.
My heart is torn apart. Onyeze kam gakoro.
Imagine. Look at how someone's wife is looking like a dejected soul. Why the side chick is busy swinging in money?
Look at how she's trekking up and down the village, admitting the whole dust of this village. While her husband's side chick is busy grooving a brand new car. Irony of life.
Irony of life.
I feel for her, shao.
Emeka, look at what you have subjected me to. People are now mocking me, laughing at me. Emecha, some don't cry. But it's okay. I will not cry again.
Oh, what a pain. What a pain.
Why are you calling me by this time of the night? You're disturbing my sleep.
Emeka, Cheru, please. I don't know the right time to call you again. If I call in the day, you tell me you're busy. You tell me you will call me back and you will not call me back. You tell me you are going on that shore. You are inside water. Thank God you are now on the planet. I want us to talk.
What is it? Be fast, please. I want to sleep. I'm leaving very in the morning.
Emeka, why are you cheating us like this? Don't tell me that you brought a loaf of bread, ofunguru bread, for your wife and your beautiful kids, whereas you bought all those goodies for that your Jezebel girlfriend. Okamaniro.
Susanna, what nonsense are you talking about?
Okay, ma pretend, Gwana. Don't pretend. It's the love I have for you. Now calm down. It doesn't make me stupid. You think I don't know? The car you brought to this house that I asked you, who owns this car? What did you reply me? That is the same car you gave to that girl. Enjoy. Look at your wife, Nano. Munyoga for nothing. But you bought that girl a car that she's cruising everywhere with, enjoying, whereas you cannot take care of your own family.
Susanna, it is my money. I chose to buy anything I want to buy for anybody. This is my hard-earned money. I chose to spend it whichever way I want to spend. Not even you will tell me.
See! Emeka, see! I will tell you! I am your wife. I will tell you how to spend your money. Because I am there from the scratch. Omarun enjoyment I will tell you. Let me even ask you, why can't you take care of us? I know I have been the one doing the loving. I have been the one trying to make this relationship work. You don't have any iota of love for me. But how about your beautiful kids? How about your son? How about your daughter? What have they done to you that you cannot take care of them? If you do it at 2,000, you do it at 3,000, your girlfriend will be living the liver loca.
I cannot be listening to this nonsense that you're saying to me by this time of the night.
Don't cut the call. I cut on the phone now. We need to have this conversation. Why are you treating me like this? I don't deserve this from you. We're gonna get me your job, Brogo. Brogo, it shouldn't be you. God.
Nedalo, please, is this Obiokoli's farmland?
You're welcome. You're welcome. Yes, this is Obiokoli's farmland. Are you the second person he said will be joining me today?
Yes.
Okay. You're welcome. As you can see, I'm already on this side. You can start from the other side. That side.
Okay, this side.
Yeah, that side.
Okay, I will start right away.
Thank you.
Always.
take water. Nah, you've not really done much. Oh. It's like this is your first time doing this kind of work before.
Thank you for the water. Thank you so much, okay?
It's nothing.
Yes. It's my first time doing this kind of work. My name is Emeka, the son of Njidamaka Ejugwo, the wife of the journalist Uche Ejugwo. Yes.
Were you people living in Jos before?
Kwarai da gaske kam. Mun yi zama a jihar Plateau, a cikin Jos kenan. Oh, sorry, my bad.
You speak Hausa very well.
Don't mind me. Sometimes I forget that I'm now in the East and I end up speaking Hausa. Thank you very much for the water, okay?
Nothing.
Yes, we stayed in Jos. But not until Boko Haram killed my father. My mother had to bring me down to the village. And suddenly, after my dad's demise, she has been the one catering for everything, virtually everything for us. And it's so unfortunate that she's very sick now. So there is no money for her medications, no money for food. And she's been the one catering for us. So I just have to run around looking for all these menial jobs that I can do to see if I can raise some little money for us. Yes. Thank you for the water especially. Thank you so much. You saved the soul.
I understand. Sorry for the loss, okay? Don't worry, you can go. I will do both my job and your own. I will tell him that both of us did the job so he can pay you, okay?
But you don't know me before. Why are you doing this?
People meet in a day. I didn't know you, but we are friends now.
Okay, thank you. Thank you mostly for the water. Okay?
You're welcome.
God bless you so much.
I really appreciate your kind gesture. I mean, you're such a beautiful soul.
Thank you very much.
Well, I did very well in my WAEC and JAM. As it stands right now, 3 universities have offered me admission. But I am so confused. I don't even know which one of them to choose.
Wow, that's great. You must be a brilliant student.
Well, I used to be the best in my class.
That's good, great.
My greatest challenge right now is my mother's health. I mean, I want her to be well. She has to be okay to see me through my education.
Don't worry, Don't be, okay? Don't worry, your mother will be fine. Just be strong in your prayers. Me too. I'll be putting her in my prayers, okay?
Thank you. You are truly a great friend. Thank God our paths crossed.
Thank you very much. It is called destiny.
I thought it was destiny. I thought it was love at first sight. Just Damugu. Love just destroyed my sense of reasoning, my thinking faculty. Now look at me. Look at me.
What am I hearing? What am I hearing?
So that my mother is gone.
Hey!
My only reason for survival is gone. My dream of going to school is gone. Everything. Susanna is dead.
Emeka, be a man.
It's okay.
Emeka, be a man.
It's okay.
Be a man.
It's okay.
Eh?
Stop crying, okay? Stop crying.
Everybody's gone. It's just you remaining. And very soon you will join them. Tell me, who will stay here with me? Who?
Emeka, listen to me. Even if everyone else leaves you, I will never leave you. Yes, I will stay by you till the end of time. That I promise you. Okay? Just stop worrying yourself. Eh? Stop crying.
What about my admissions? I mean, my dream of going to school is dead. Who will send me to school? Who? Even if you stay with me, okay, fine. But who will send me to school? Who? Hey. Mama.
Emeka, look at me. Look at me. Even if it means working from morning to the next morning to be able to sponsor your university education, I will do it. So that your dreams of going to school will not die with your mother. Not when I am alive. Don't just bother, okay? Stop crying.
I'm not crying.
It's okay, eh?
I'm not crying.
Unless you want me to join you. And I will join you. Oh.
Don't cry, I'm not.
It's
I'm not
okay.
crying.
It's okay, don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Just that I'm wondering how possible it is for me to stay without my mother. My beautiful mother.
I understand. I am here with you, okay? I understand. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay. It's okay, right? Okay, it's okay.
How are you doing today? Mika, why is your face like this now? Okay. This is 330,000 naira I borrowed from our meeting money, where we do daily contributions. I hope this will help you to pay up your hostel fee and your first year school fees.
$300,000 naira. How do you intend to pay this back?
It will take me up to 6 months to pay back, as long as God keeps bringing more jobs for me to do.
But, Susanna,
Don't worry, don't worry. Eh?
why are you doing all this for me? Why?
Emeka, it's because I love you. I love you. I fell in love with you the very first day I saw you in that farmland. Yes.
You love me?
Yes. Emeka.
Emeka. Emeka. After everything, Maggie, after all I did for you, I made sure you went to school, and when you graduated, I made sure I got you a befitting job. I know what I sacrificed for you to be where you are today, and this is all you could pay me back with. Inaimewa Mobi, what have I done? For you to get this job of your dream, I'm your taking, no?
I know what I suffered. I know how I managed to get to this job. I didn't know I was digging my own grave. Hey! God.
It's up to Susanna, eh? This work, eh? We'll just take it easy. Already, I can't keep doing this. Ow. I don't know what to do, eh? Almost done. Hey. Susanna! 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 Susanna, please wake up. Susanna, please wake up. Susanna, please wake up. Susanna! Susanna! Susanna, please wake up. Please wake up, oh. Don't do this to me, oh. Susanna, wake up. 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 Oh, yeah, no, sir. Oh, yeah, no, sir.
Susanna. Why are you like this? Are you pregnant? Idime. Eh? For who? Cheru. Is it Emeka? Yes. But you people are not married yet. I know. He made just the dabata. He promised to come and see my people before he comes out. Better. I think I wanna need him. Better. Ha. I'm even tired because I'm fasting. I'm fasting and praying. It's been 4 years now since Emeka graduated, no work. I know there is no job, but his case will be an exception now. He will get good job, so he'll be able to take care of us. Because of the situation now, I have to work. I have to still pray for him. Because if I don't work, how will I now take care of him and myself?
Wait, Cheru. You mean you are pregnant and you're fasting and you still came to work with it?
What will I do? I just told you now that Emeka is here to get a job. If I don't fast now, how will God answer my prayer? How will God see my pains and wipe my tears? If I don't work, how am I going to feed myself and Emeka? Eh?
Emeka? Is it not the man here?
But you're misunderstanding the whole thing now. Did I tell you he's lazy? I said he's been going about searching for a job now. Will he get a job in the farm? Eh? Will he get a good job there? Is Botengoke graduate with a good result? Tall, handsome man.
And so? So you should kill yourself for him?
It's not like that.
Please, you don't need that. You don't need that. Just take it slow. Take it slow.
My friend, your feelings are valid. I understand your feeling for me, but I also want you to know that let me just continue this way. If Emeka gets a good job now, the way I'll be enjoying, you'll be happy for me.
Oh, I know, but just leave Emeka to be doing the whole work. Eh? Why you take care of yourself? You're pregnant now. Biko, I don't want anything to happen to you. I don't want it. Biko, you don't want, but you're still very important to me. Oh, just take it easy. Emeka is the man here. Biko.
No.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I share. My heart is torn apart.
You're heartless. You are mean. After all the prayers, after fasting, praying, going to the mountains just for you to succeed in life, even when I was pregnant, I fasting to make sure my husband succeed. I know everything I did for you. Ajom Madu, this is how you're paying me back. You are wicked. You're not a nice person. Because if not for anything, for the sake of God, for everything I have contributed in this life, you are supposed to think twice before you treat me like this. Now you're rich, you're now a big boy. It's now prostitutes that are enjoying your money. The money I prayed for, the money I waited for, the money I worked hard for. You also made me enjoy. Okay, man, hero, no problem. No problems. Okay, drop Goko. You drop the call now. You do what you want. You buy who you want to buy car, but you cannot take care of me. Look at me. You cannot take care of me. Shame! Ucho! Shame on you. You are frustrating me. Are you proud of yourself? Look at your wife. Emotionally, you're not there. Physically, you're not there. Financially, you're not there. Spiritually, you are not there. God. Hey, God. You will not even give me money to feed your kids properly. You have 1,000, 2,000, and they go to work. Even if you don't love me, take care of your children. It's true. God. Hey, God. God. Hey, love. Oh, Jesus.
My heart is torn apart. Onyeze kam gakoro.
Mommy, wake up. Mommy.
Chimu, my babies. How are you?
Good morning.
Come here. Good morning. How are you?
Fine.
What is the time?
The time is past 8 o'clock.
I didn't sleep early. I did midnight prayer and I didn't even know when I slept off here. You need to get ready for school quickly. Or you have to go and start taking your shower. Let me prepare your food. Fast.
It looks like our daddy's car.
That's not your daddy's car. Your daddy is not the only person that has driven this kind of car in this village. Moreover, that car is not even his own. He has returned it to the owner.
This is his car.
Hope you did your homework.
Yes.
Did you do your own? Oh yeah, off to school. Anywhere you see silver car, that's your daddy's car.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed. My heart is torn apart. Onyeze kam gakoro.
I know you're happy. Oh yeah, play.
No, it was my toy.
No, it's not. It's after your brother's turn. Oh yeah, play.
Oh, what a pain. Oh, what a pain. He shattered my love and betrayed my trust. Ooh, Chukwu inokwaya. Inokwaya Chukwu. Ije love
I don't know why you're pushing.
Hello, Kitty.
Daddy, welcome.
How are you, Angel? You guys are good?
See, you are.
Why don't you
Okay.
You.
Susan,
Now,
didn't you see me walking?
this is here.
Susan! Didn't you see me walk in? I passed you. And you acted as if you didn't see me. Susanna! Susanna, I am talking to you.
Play.
Okay, it's all right. Ignore me. When it's time for money, Abiakwanam, don't come to me when it's time to need
It's
money.
like you have forgotten so soon. Which money are you even talking about? Which money can you In this relationship, I've been the Odo. I single-handedly funded this relationship, funded you, funded your future, funded your education. If not for me, Emeka, you wouldn't have been anywhere close to where you are today. God blessed you. God started blessing you, so can Zweke. I decided to rest because I thought my husband is now in a better position to take care of me. I'm not Diego promise. But no problem, let me assure you one thing. You see this, my kids and I, hunger will never kill us. I will make sure I take care of them with my last sweat and blood. Hey mama, I'm not a lazy girl. How condition bend the crayfish? I single-handedly trained you in the university. So what makes you think I cannot take care of my children? What makes you think I am not capable?
It's all right. Okabungoa, I know it's you. I can see the devil has succeeded in planting something in your lips, and that's why you're ranting and raving as if you're a mad dog. But it's okay.
How did you get
my little angel, here's the bread I bought for you people. Take it.
Take it to your prostitute of a girlfriend. We don't need it. Oh?
Susanna.
This is not what your mate takes to their wife and children at home. Susanna. After keeping them days without 1 naira. It's not loaf of bread.
You threw away the bread I bought for you people? The bread I bought with my hard-earned money you threw it on the ground? It's all right. We will see who would buy another bread in this house. No, it's okay. No, continue. Enjoy your moment. Let's see who's going to replace another bread in this house. You don't know how far I drove to buy this bread, and then you threw it on the floor. No problems.
Why am I the only one that is not getting?
And by the way, who brought this door to this compound? Yeah. Who brought the door into this house? Yeah, security. Who brought this leader into my house?
Don't be distracted.
Come here. How did this get into my house? Jeff, how were you able to bring in this nonsense into my house? How? How did you bring in this locomotive into my compound? Madam. How did you able to tell me? Who led you? Who showed you want to bring this into my compound? Madam. Madam what? And you brought in this locomotive into... You bring in this locomotive into my compound? You brought this... So babe, what do you have to say about the proposal?
What do you want? Be your second wife?
Yes. Just go ahead and be my second wife, the one I love.
God forbid.
Okay, fine. Can we do it this way? Just accept my proposal, accept to be my second wife, and so I can just go home and chase away Susanna with her children out of my life, out of my house.
Why would you do that?
Why won't I do that? Because you're the one I love. I never loved her.
Can you hear yourself speak? No. Someone who has 2 kids for you already. Really, Emeka?
I have never loved her. I have never professed love to that woman. The truth of the matter is, this whole thing started when I lost my mother. She's the person who talks about how she loves me, how she cares about me, how she wants me to be happy. After I lost my mother, she came trying to keep companies and wanted to be with me. Before I knew it, she moved in with me. We started living together. And after March, somehow she got pregnant and I was then forced to go pay her bride price. And then we started living together. And the truth is, she was even the one that brought money for her bride price.
And then? So? After all she did for you, you want to pay her back with evil?
What are you saying?
Come on, Emeka.
Do you realize that we are talking about love here? We're talking about genuine existence of feelings here. Listen, marriage should be between 2 partners who love each other genuinely, not people who got married out of pity or some kind of sympathy or whatever. It doesn't work that way. And now I want to stand up. I want to go after my destiny. I want to live my life. I want to spend my life with the one I love.
Emeka, can we just leave this relationship of ours this level it is? Can we just leave it at this level? And even if marriage will come, that should be later. That is even maybe. See, let's just enjoy this moment. Let's enjoy this relationship that we have. Until then, come on. Emeka, but you know I love you. You know.
Baby, I miss you, please. Come make love to me. Please, no, I'll marry you.
Can you imagine? He's asking me to marry him as second wife. Chai. Doris, your eyes have seen win.
This guy really loves you. Do you know if you ask him to divorce his first wife and marry you, he would not hesitate to do so?
Funny enough, he has.
Really?
Yes. He said if I accept his proposal, he will go straight to the house and chase his wife and the kids out of the house.
Serious?
Very serious.
What kind of love is this?
Oh, please, come off it. I don't love him. I do not love him. And I'm not even ready to marry him. All I want is money. I just want to cash out. I don't want one man to cage me in the name of marriage. Please, marriage is a commitment and I'm not ready to commit. Don't you like this baby girl life? Yeah, I just want to be cashing out, making money, cash out, make money, cash. I love this baby girl's lifestyle. Or don't you like it? I beg you.
God, why is this love not coming to me?
Do you want to marry him? Should I give him to you? But I'll just be collecting his money. You will marry him.
Get out.
Emeka, someone has to tell you this. It is very bad of you to forget all the sacrifices that woman made for you. When all your friends deserted you when you lost your mother, she stood by you, making sure you had a good life at the expense of her own health. Now that it is time for you to pay her back, you're treating her like a nobody. Why are you doing this to her? Why are you doing this to her? This woman will work from morning till night, Sunday to Sunday, no rest for her. Now that it is time for you to get that back, you're treating her like a maid. Who are you? Someone must talk to you.
My own is that he has bought the girl a car. And your wife doesn't have a bicycle. You've gone to buy that girl a car, your girlfriend. And the both of your own children doesn't have even a bicycle, Emeka. What is wrong with you?
Obimu, no one is talking of buying Susanna a car here. At least, let him stop that woman from working from farmland to farmland. Let him take full responsibility of a husband and a father too. No, buying a car is far from this now.
Emeka, your wife and your children are living in abject poverty. They feed from hand to mouth. That woman is working, suffering to take care of those children. Emeka, why that stupid girl that insulted you when you were poor is busy enjoying your wealth and affluence that this girl worked for?
Well, I can see that Susanna is so good at taking my name around the village to gossip. That's what she's been doing.
I think gossip. Okay, sit down. Sit down.
I will not sit down and continue to have the both of you talk to me in that manner. So Susanna has been taking, so this is what she has been doing. So she comes here and spends the whole day talking about me.
You have no shame. You have no shame. See what you're saying?
Bia. What do you want? No, Jim. Calm down. Kosigini. Which Susanna? Which Susanna? Does she need to gossip? You think the villagers does not have eyes or what?
Hey, tell him.
They are seeing your foolishness, let me tell you. They are seeing it. Let me even remind you. You see these villagers, they are the one gossiping, not Susanna. So leave Susanna out of this. Leave her out of this.
So the reason you invited me here is to insult me. I can't sit down here and continue to listen to both of you sound this way. I can't do that.
Oh, okay, go now.
Yeah,
you can go. Shame on you.
You have no shame.
I'm ashamed. I don't know how I met you.
Insulting me. It's
you
okay.
can go.
It's not your fault.
Go and follow the big ass.
I blame Susanna.
Go. Don't have shame.
Don't worry.
Not for you. I say Susanna.
Buy car for one stupid girl. One demon somewhere. Where was she?
They are seeing it everywhere. They are seeing it. The villagers are seeing it. They are the one gossiping. They are the one complaining. Not even
I don't even know how I met this guy. Emeka, I don't blame you. She mean I'm only cause of Abi.
Honey, I am happy you are not behaving like your friend. Because if you do, I wonder what would have become of me.
He's not my friend. He is not my friend. I can't have a friend that is so senseless, that acts like a fool. She's not my friend.
Doris, are you sure that girl is not using charms on him?
Honey, what kind of charm are you talking about? Forget about that thing. Listen, Emeka never loved Susanna. He never wanted to marry her. Yes, especially when he spotted that Doris of a devil. That girl messed Emeka up. I can recall those days. He frustrated the young man because the guy was so poor and broke. Okay, Emeka had no option now because he was poor. He had to fall back to Susanna. Now, he has made money. He has gone back to that girl that rejected him when he had nothing and has left Susanna after everything Susanna did for him to become a man and become rich in this life. I don't know, why can't that young man just help himself and stay away from that girl? What is all this? He has a good family.
You see the way this whole thing is going, I don't like it. This is not nice at all. Eh? Why that poor girl? Why that innocent girl? She does not deserve this whole thing. She does not deserve it.
Because of that Doris' waist. Waist? Is it not the same thing that is inside there? What is there? Susanna has a good waist too. Is it not the same thing that is there? You too, you have a good waist and the same thing is here too. What is all this?
You're asking me, Mama.
He's just being senseless. That's it.
I don't know what you want, seriously. I don't know what you people want.
Just being senseless. What is it?
Susanna. Why are you people drinking garri in the house? Susanna, why are you doing this? Why are you trying to implicate me? Why do you want the world to keep saying Emeka did this, Emeka did that? Why are you drinking garri in this house? Susanna, does it mean there's no food in this house for you and my children to eat anymore to the extent of drinking garri?
We have to go inside now. I do my assignment. Okay.
Susanna. I just want to say I'm sorry. I just want to say to you that I'm sorry for everything I've done wrong to you. I shouldn't have allowed you come back to that menial job you used to do. I should have been a better husband who takes care of you and our children. I have wronged you deeply. Please, find a place in your heart and give me a chance. I want to make things right again for us. Give me a second chance.
Stop!
You say she's not your spec of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her was a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid?
Hallelujah. You see your life. Ijeroka, today is Sunday, but you cannot create even if it's 5 seconds for your creator. Chimo, I didn't even remember that today is Sunday. Hey! Remember. See, you will do your personal things, go about your personal ways, do your personal business from Monday to Saturday. Sunday, just few hours in the presence of God. You will not go and acknowledge your creator. I forgot.
It will happen next time. Because
Well,
but you look so happy. What happened? What is it? And where are your kids? You didn't go to church with them?
yes, we all went to the church together. But on our way back, I told my husband to drop me so I can see my friend.
Chill.
Did I hear you say your husband?
Emeka allowed you and your children in his car? That car? Hey, changes has come, oh.
Iyamachuku nemeremo, odimebu benanya. Iyanemeremo, odimebu benanya. Iyamachuku nemere Susanna. My sister, that's why I decided to come and gist you. You might not go have my party. Let me give you the good news.
You came with gist. Because come and sit down. You're supposed to be here. Once I'm done with this, I will sit down so that you download everything that I need to know. And my bell. Hey, keep singing. I'm enjoying it. So he apologized?
Yes.
Thank God, though. Thank God Emeka has finally changed.
My sister, he promised never to treat us bad again. I just pray this change continues. I pray he continue to be a good husband and a good father to our children.
Susanna, for him to take you to church today, it means he has changed. And this is for real. Seriously.
Are you sure? You're right.
Susanna, your problem is that girl. Eh? You see that Doris, eh? Nwawa Anyike. She's Emeka's problem. Seriously. If you can succeed in removing that girl out of your way, your marriage will be blessed. I am telling you.
But the problem is, how can I remove her out of the way? I think I should put more strength in my husband changing than trying to remove. If I remove this one, he carry another one. Uncle. I go.
Why yo? Are you not a woman? No, are you not a woman? Eh? Other ladies fight their side chicks so they can keep their marriages. You have to wake up and fight for what rightfully belongs to you. You have to wake up. Seriously, you don't have to tremble in opposition or changes. You don't have to. Fight, wake up and fight for what belongs to you, for what rightfully is yours. Fight! That is what I want.
No problem. I'll put everything in prayer.
You see that Doris, eh? She's a thief here. Eh? Why you are the rightful owner. Seriously, the rightful owner, they are always bold. Why the thief? They are scared. In your own case, you're the rightful owner and you are scared. Why Shida is the thief here? She's busy parading your husband everywhere in this village. That is an error and it has to be corrected. Seriously, act fast.
Thank you. Like I said, I'll do my best to make sure I keep my home. Thank you. Well, you've been very supportive and I appreciate you.
I do. I just want you to bounce back, seriously.
Let me quickly head back home. Oh, and just say rice and boss.
It's okay.
Oh, thank you.
Mambo, oh.
This is what I want you to do. Fight. Oh my God.
Susanna, hurry up now. Look at the time. I'm ready for Port Harcourt already. Hurry up. You're never in a hurry to do anything in your life. What's wrong with you? Just bring the children. Let me take them to school. Then I can go to where I'm going.
I'm sorry, my
Look at the time. Look at how long it took you to bring these kids out.
husband, sorry.
I've been here for too long. You know I'm traveling.
You know it's not easy to wake these children up, bath them and cook for them. Oh?
It's okay. Let's let them come. Let's go. You up here. Hold on. Wait. Come. What are they wearing? Why are they wearing rags? Wait, and you expect them to hop into the car like this? You want me to carry them to school? I can't carry them in my car like this. They can't be looking this way.
Are they not your children?
And so, even they're my kids, they can't be looking this way and enter this car. It's not possible. I mean, maybe we'll just leave it next time.
They will still be like this next time. Yes. Unless you give me some money to make new school uniform for them. That's the problem.
It's okay. Just hold on. I'm coming. You all should wait here.
It's okay. Daddy loves you.
No, he's not going to take us to school.
Don't worry. We can even use keke in problem. When you make new school uniform, Daddy will take you.
Okay.
It's very nice, man.
Just take this.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Change their uniform. You can change their bag if there's need for that, but just get rid of these things. And please, I don't want to see these clothes anywhere around this house again.
All right.
I'm already late for my journey. I need to be put up now.
No problem. My husband will use keke and perfume.
Let them use keke. Let them not enter this car.
No problems. No problems.
Jay.
Okay.
Please open the gate for me. And when you open the gate, go to the next junction and make sure you find keke that they will use to go to school.
Yes, sir.
All right? Fast, please.
Bye. Safe. Wadanya. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's just for today. Bam. Why you get?
Oh, Susan. This why you are in my place. You have not come here before. I hope all is well.
All is not well. And all cannot be well with the way Nwagisieme. Please, ma, I am here to warn you, to tell your daughter to stay away from my husband. Please. Because the way you are laughing and pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about, your daughter now owns a car. As a virtuous Christian mother, you are supposed to ask her, what are you doing for a living? Can I be singwete ego? But no, each enjoyment, party after party, imandria. Obrugina moto you never enjoy. But let me make it clear to you. My husband bought that car for her. To avoid let her stay away from my husband. Just look at me. Look at me. My husband no longer takes care of me physically, emotionally, financially. All his attention is now on your daughter. Your daughter, thank you. Don't mention my marriage. I am begging you as a mother, warn your daughter to stay away from my husband. If I get her anywhere close to my husband again, what I will do to her, you will not recognize her again. That's why I decided to come. If she dares go close to my husband again, after this warning, after this official family warning, hey God, I will so embarrass her. I will make a video of her, strip her naked, post on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, everywhere, so that the world will know how shameless she is. Let her carry her big bomb and stay off my matrimonial home.
Trouble Hey, Susanna, if there's anybody you have a problem with, it was your husband, not me, not my daughter. Did you see me in your house? Did you see my daughter in your house? What is your problem? So, you know my daughter, right? I heard you say big bumbo. So you saw that big bumbo, and you don't know that your husband has fallen for the big bumbo. If you are the
never want you fall. Just carry yourself and leave my compound now. Jesus. Carry me yourself and leave my compound now immediately. Jesus. What is wrong with you?
Wait. I don't understand. Is this what you have to say? Is this what you're saying?
What else am I supposed to say? So you don't know that a man is capable of marrying as many wives as he can take care of?
Then let her wait. Let him come and marry her. Marriage, now let her wait. Now let's come and pay bride price. He has not married her. So right now, your daughter is trespassing in my marriage. Okay, check her.
We are taking it easy. We are licking the soup small because it's still hot. By the time it gets cold, and it's like an email small. Do everything. Marriage happen, no?
I rebuke you.
Let me tell you, you know that the problem that girls of nowadays have is that they are so selfish. So if you are your husband, you will not fall in love with my... Look, you may go down the lap. My daughter bought it for me. Hey, check him out. So you don't want me to continue enjoying money. So go and enjoy money. Are you... So who told you no fun and is no fun? Okay. Who told you that one woman can be enough for one man? There's no way a woman will be enough for a man. Or not possible. You people are dreaming. You people are dreaming, thinking that once you marry a man, you keep it. You keep him to yourself. It is not possible. My daughter is. Oh my God! What? We must wear that ukwa. Die, can make sure that it has the same shape on around to attract men. And you are. If you don't leave my compound this minute, if I go inside and come back, I will bet you with hot water. I have always told women, if you go into a man's house, he has money. If you get dedicated, shift to another man, but I don't want to come and eat small. Are you selfish? Stop being selfish. Nonsense. Come again. What is coming? Now come upstairs.
Hey, so you mean Wanike opened her mouth, and said that she will pour hot water on you simply because you came to warn her to tell her daughter to stay off your husband? No. This is unacceptable. Yes, it is unacceptable. You know what? I'll report this to the Umuadia meeting. By the time she appears before them, she will repeat what she told you. She will repeat it. What nonsense? Why will a woman like her be supporting evil? Why would she be doing that? What is this life even turning into? Vomiting her mouth and be saying that rubbish.
This woman have the guts to tell me that as an African man, every African man is entitled as many wives as possible. That my husband is entitled to having many wives. That so that her daughter is not my problem. That I should go and fight my husband if I want to fight.
She's very wicked. She said all this to you. She must appear before Umuada so she will vomit those rubbish that she said. Susanna, I like the way you are standing up to what rightfully belongs to you. I like it. Just keep it up, Don't relent. I like the way you're acting seriously. Especially now your husband's heart is beginning to come back to you and your children. I like it.
God will see me through.
Yes, he will see you through.
Chibuzo, hey. My brother. Is that you? Hey. Omo, I've been looking around using style to look for you in this town. Now, where have you been now?
You know now. I went to the city to make money, but I'm back now.
No wonder. I've been using style to look for you.
See,
now, welcome. Oh.
See, thank you. See, the story, since I came back, the story I've been hearing about our friend, Emeka, I don't like it.
What did you hear?
It's about that girl that suffered with him now. I don't just like the story I'm hearing at all.
Chibuzo, I have decided that I will never put my mouth in anything concerning Emeka again. I will never. I have warned him, I have begged him, I have talked to him, but he doesn't want to listen to me, so he has his own life to live. He should decide what he wants for himself.
That's true, Sha. That's true. Everybody get their life to live now. That is it, oh. Tired. How far now? What about that woman now?
Which woman?
You know now, but that family joint.
Oh, Mama Ejima. The one close to that market. She did now. She fell ground. She's still there.
Oh, yeah, now. I go be now. Later you go.
Later you go. Don't worry. Just come out now. 1 or 2 bottles. For the sake of old days now. What's up? Eh? 1 or 2 bottles. Hi. Hey. Hey, later.
Hey, come back. Don't disgrace yourself. If you don't want people to hear my voice, come back here. Come back. At your meeting. Come back. Let's talk woman to woman.
But what are you doing here, and how did you get to this place?
You still have the nerve to ask me stupid questions. You can answer you. Now listen and listen good. Stay away from my husband. Stay away. You know he's married with kids. Are you not aware? Why are you running up and down following my husband? Squandering his money. Look at me. Look at the way I look. Look at me. You're using this nonsense thing to deceive my husband. Okay? This should be the very last time I warned you. See, I got my eyes on you. I don't care. But if I see you close to my husband again, I will make sure I strip you naked. I will make video of you. I will post you on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, everywhere. I will disgrace you. I will embarrass you. This is the last time. I will warn you. Go and find your own. Hapurum Chukwemeka is a happily married man with children. I'm wine. Or bro Jesus Christ, stay away from him. Idiot. I shall. How did she get here? Hey.
This is serious.
My mother called me. She told me that she came to the house and asked her to warn me.
Wait, you mean she went to your mother to ask her to warn you?
I did not tell you. She went to our house in the village. And now, she came to my hostel. How did she manage to know my room? This is where I'm scared.
These village wives, you'll be underrating them as amateurs, not knowing that they are mafians. Zibo Street.
I know what to do. I won't keep quiet because if I do, she will eventually carry out her threat. I think I know what to do.
What exactly do you want to do?
Just watch me.
Nne, if your girl in action.
Hey,
if your girl in action, now back on web and the power. Stay away! You are a snatcher. You need to have seen the face. It was written all over her.
I think she's bold. She's proud that she's enjoying another woman's husband. Why is she afraid now? Let her stay and fight your woman to woman on her boss. She should have stayed now.
With what I told her, I know she will start avoiding my husband.
That is better for her on her one.
Also,
yes, that is what we want. Obloya, you got to move 5 because
thank you. No. But I can't get because if not that you ignited the fire in me, I wouldn't. I wouldn't have. I would have been scared to confront her. But after you spoke to me, ginger, move was. And I was talking to her, I was looking straight into her eyes.
Now back.
That possess my possession. Only the violent take it in my force.
What are friends for? Iron sharpeneth iron.
Me, thank you. Jaya.
Yes.
Yeah, stay away.
Is that why you drove down to the village unannounced? Just because of this threat?
Mama, that woman sounded so desperate. You need to hear the way she was threatening me. I was scared.
She cannot do more than she has done already. Don't you know women again? The only thing they know how to do is to rant. Cho, that's all. She has done her worst. So
Mama,
relax.
are you saying I should not take her serious?
You want to hear what I want to say, right? I am saying that you should not take her serious at all. Do you know the only assignment you have? The assignment is just to keep collecting money from this man. Stop him. As long as he's ready to bring money, keep stopping him. That's the only assignment. Forget about the woman. She's a nice baker.
Mama, are you saying she's not going to carry out her threats? Are you serious?
Not carry out her threat. She's not going to carry out the threat. But if she does, there's a way to stop her.
What's that, Mama? Tell me.
How? Is everything you say outside? I'll tell you when I get inside.
Mama. Okay, Mama, let's go inside. See, there is no time. No time for anybody. I need to know now. Mama, Mama, let's go now. There's no time. Mama, please come on.
She can't do anything.
She can't do anything.
Message from Doris. What's she saying? I saw a message from Doris now. This relationship is over. My life is in danger. Is this message meant for me? What exactly is she talking about? Whose life is in danger? This relationship is over? How can you send me this kind of message? What sort of message is this? What do you mean by this relationship is over? What did I do wrong to you? All the things you've ever asked of, I've done everything to you. I mean, what is it? I've provided for you several times. You've never asked of anything that I've never provided for you before. If it's money you need, why would you have to call over? Why would you call off the relationship? Why? Okay, you're sending another one. Same message. Baby, this relationship is over. My life is in danger. What is going on now? Huh? Why should not begin our calls? Pick your call now, eh? What danger are you talking about? Pick your call. What's going on? What's going on? she not picking her calls? What sort of danger was she referring to?
How about that new boyfriend of yours that was asking you out?
That guy. Forget it.
Emeka Red Heart.
Who is that?
Oh, yes. Emeka.
So, why are you not picking his call?
It's a plan. It is called game plan.
Game.
And I'm very sure that the end results will be wonderful.
Game plan.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good night. I want to sleep.
All right, good night.
Emeka Red Heart.
The call or you put it on silent is disturbing me.
Okay, whatever. Can you also put off the lights over there?
What's going on? I couldn't even concentrate. I called your phone several times, you weren't taking your calls.
Because I don't want to talk to you.
Do you know how far I had to go? I had to go as far as lying with my late mother just to make it out to sea because I don't even think I can survive it today if I don't see you.
That is because I don't want to talk to you.
Why? What did I do wrong to you?
My life is in danger. Because of us. Because of you.
I don't get it. I am confused. What are you talking about?
The woman you called your wife.
Susanna? What did she say to you? Doris, please, talk to me.
She went to my mother, warned her against me. As if that was not enough. She came here. I'm even wondering how she managed to find me. And she told me if I don't leave you, she will kill me. Please, you have to choose between both of us. Is it your wife or me? Because I don't want to lose my life because of any man. Please.
Did you say my wife Susanna warned you?
Does it look like I'm joking?
Please, just give me some time. Just give me some time.
Yes. Yes. Go and deal with her. Rubbish. Until you stand warning me for what?
Susanna! Who is your husband? It is not your husband, I will kill you! Susanna! You know what I said? It's the husband of yours, I will kill you! Why?
What happened?
Stop pretending and stop acting as if you don't know what happened! Who gave you the moral right to confront my girlfriend? Who sent you?
So, this is what all of these things is all about. Yeah? I, your wife.
I don't have the right to confront her. Well, I told that stupid thing to stay away from my...
What you call stupid? Are you mad? You called her stupid thing. May I remind you that the girl you call stupid is the love of my life. The one who's given me so much joy in this life. I never loved you and you knew it. You forced yourself on me because you helped me when my mother was dead. You came to feel the vacuum of her absence and then you feel it's a moral right for me to end up with you as my wife. But listen, this marriage is not working, and if you don't like it anymore, use the door and go with your kids. Do I make myself clear?
You don't love me. Is that what you're saying?
I'm saying it and I'm repeating myself again. I do not love you, can't you see? Can't you read it in my eyeballs that there is no love in this marriage for crying out loud?
So because of that thing, you're treating me...
If you repeat that again, if you dare call her that thing, I will decide on you. As a matter of fact, let me just go. In fact, just pray to your stars. If she changes her mind where I am, you are dead.
You said she's not your spec of woman. You said she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you?
I am sorry, my love. I am sorry for the embarrassment she caused you. I had to deal with her decisively over what she did this time around. As a matter of fact, what I did to her right now, she will never forget it till she dies.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm very sure. Do you know I had to beat her because of you? Yes, I had to mend her, I had to deal with her to prove to her that I value you more than I do over her. Everything is just for you.
Anyway, you just make sure that she doesn't carry out threats.
Oh, please, that's just a threat. She can't even hurt a fly, if you must know.
Really?
Yes, I know her too well. She can't hurt a fly. She was only blabbing. You know what they say mouth making? She was making mouth. Trust me, she was only making mouth. Is that look for me? Come on, give me that look again, baby.
I love you.
Oh my God, I love you more. Oh shit. There's something about you. Look at me. I seem quite helpless.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sonny, happy. Where's your mother?
We didn't see her. We have been waiting for her since. Other parents came to carry their children. So instead of waiting, I told Sonny that we should go.
Do you know the road? How sure are you that you can beat oncoming vehicles and motorcycles when you see one?
We can.
Oh yeah. Who the brother? So that both of you will walk on the same lane. Okay? And please be very watchful about oncoming vehicles and motorcycles.
Okay.
Don't talk to anybody. Don't say hi to anybody. Just concentrate and get home.
Okay, Auntie.
Oh.
Bye.
Bye. What is going on? Are you sure their mother is alright? I mean, why didn't she go to school to pick them up? Hey. I just hope she's alright. I pray so.
Mom!
People are back. Yes. I'm so sorry I slept off. So who brought you guys back?
Nobody.
Yes, nobody. But Mom, why are you crying? Crying? No, I'm not crying, I'm fine.
But your eyes are...
Shh. Go inside, keep your bags, freshen up and come out for your meal. Okay, let's go. Okay. I'm so sorry I didn't come to you. Yeah, go. I'm so sorry I slept.
You are a genius.
Oh, why you get? Look at. How can I sit down and watch another woman take the money that God has channeled to me away? And then no one does that. Who does that?
Me, mama. Hey, you need to see the way he was begging me. He had to go and beat her up with a strong warning never to try it again before he came back and begged me.
That is how it should be. It should be like that. Look at when you're going to Benz in a bit on Amaka. Or water, na tuke and Amaka. Look at you now. Hey, where's the way to get that man with you? She does not have now. I know who I gave birth to. Cable. I gave birth to you. As na agwana amu here to Rogonogo. Pino.
Mama, please don't blow my head off because you're already blowing my head off. Bikono.
Hey, Anama. Do not worry. Obu no si ni ifa na eme nwere isi. Egburu isi onye anwa tinye na ya. Ifa na eme nwe isi yo nke immediately.
Ozugo, mama. Ozugo. No, mama. Ozugo. Don't worry, mama. I am coming next week. I'm coming to give you a treat. A special treat, mama. Because you deserve it. I am coming home.
Susanna, you're not so
Alright, mama. I love you, mama. I love you. I love you. Bye-bye.
I don't care more. I'm going to call you.
He left everything he was doing in PH, drove straight down here. After I told him everything that happened, he drove to his wife, beat up his wife thoroughly, came back and apologized. You can't believe it. He went back to PH today.
Are you serious?
I'm not kidding you, my sister.
See, this thing you are saying you are not going to marry this guy will not work at all. This guy loves you very much.
Oh, please. Who is talking about love? If it's a joke, please stop that nonsense. Don't even say it again. I don't want to fight with you. I have told you, I am just cashing out. Cashing out, okay?
But the reason you are cashing out successfully is because the guy in question loves you very much. Do you think it's that easy to be cashing out from one particular guy all because of sex? Babe, girls plenty. pussy full everywhere. Sex is too cheap, very cheap.
Really?
Yes.
And I am not one of those random girls. I'm not one of those cheap girl or one of those cheap pea. Come on, this is Doris. This is Doris. The endowed Doris. Hello. Nwabudi hot akara. Hey, Del. Don't even go there, please. And you know too well to compare me with those cheap girls. Please, love it. Hello.
Easy.
Thank you.
Easy.
Thank you.
I didn't do anything bad by falling in love with him. I didn't do anything bad in accepting to stay back after everyone deserted him when the mother died. I didn't ask him to come make love to me. I only volunteered to keep him company.
Susanna.
Yes, what is it?
I'm feeling so lonely and also scared of sleeping alone in the bedroom. So please, can I join you and sleep here?
You can join me.
Okay. Please, can I cuddle you? I mean, just cuddle, nothing else.
Feel free.
Feel free. Susie, I'm so sorry for what just happened. I never knew you were still a virgin. I'm so sorry.
You don't have to be. You did not rape me. I consented to it. I am even happy that I lost my virginity to the very first man I have ever loved in my life. So, don't say sorry. You did me no wrong.
He actually knew he was apologizing for. Now I know better. He was apologizing because when I thought we made sweet love, he knew it wasn't lovemaking. He knew he was just taking advantage of the poor girl who volunteered to help out. Emeka, the last thing I would do is to beg you to love me. Go to the one you love. I will never stop you from going to her since you chose her over me. There is no problem. Onya juraju, oga aju onwe.
Oh yeah, it's not me that keke man will disappoint. We'll just go to Joshua and take another keke.
Wait, where are we going?
We're going to our new house.
Our new house? New house. Is Daddy packing with us?
Your daddy is not coming with us. You know you people are still children. But when we get to the house, I'll explain so many things to you guys. Oh, for now, we have to be on our way. Hey, yeah, security. Go. Come and take this key. When your guy comes back, tell him that we have gone. No, yeah.
Where do you go?
Hello? Oga, good morning.
Ah, GF, good morning. How are you?
Oga, Adeo. Oga, problem though.
What problem?
Madam don't carry her bag, all her bag with the children. They don't enter care come out for us. So I talk to you like this now, then give me the asking, the main asking from my hand. They don't lock the house, give me the key.
It's okay. I heard you. Just keep the key for me. I'll come back by the weekend.
Huh?
You heard me. Just make sure you take care of the house.
You don't call. Hi! This small guy wicked though. You know even shock him. Say his wife and the children don't come out for house. Make her keep the key, say he go come. Hi!
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart. Onyezekam gakoro.
Bye.
Sonny, happiness, my children, I want you to understand and manage here from now. This is our new home. I know it's not all that comfortable. It will not be as comfortable as where we are coming from, but we need peace. It's better we stay here and stay safe than we stay there and die young.
No. Why does Daddy rate us?
It's okay. The most important thing is that we have a new home. We are where we can be happy. We are where nobody will maltreat us or make us feel less of ourselves. So let's go inside. I promise to make you happy. Oh, let's do that, right? I want both of you to be very comfortable in this house. Don't be scared. This is my grandmother's house. My father and my mother lived here before both of them died in a car accident on the same day. This is where I was living as a young girl, working hard, trying to make ends meet before I meet the father, my husband. So after I met him, our background are almost the same. He lost his mother. Everything was tearing apart for him. I had to move in with him. So this is where I was living before I moved in to live with your father. Why am I telling you this little story? Because I want you to be comfortable. I want you to know that our safety, our peace of mind is what is most important. Instead of staying in that mansion where we don't have peace of mind, where your father treats us anyhow, I would rather we stay here and have peace of mind. And I will do everything within my powers to make sure that I make both of you comfortable.
Then why did we leave Daddy's house? I thought you said he has changed. Yes, but he started caring for us while we were there.
You are a baby. Both of you are children. There are so many things you cannot understand till you grow up. Okay? So for now, let's be here. You go to school from here. I will try to get something doing so I can take care of both of you. Don't worry. Nanugo, you know Mommy loves you. You know Mommy loves you so much. And Mommy will do everything to make you happy.
My daughter, Mama, I've been meaning to ask you this. But I think it's necessary now. What is your plan about this young man, Emeka?
What kind of plan, Mama?
Imagine. What I mean is this. Now that the wife and the children have left him, don't you think of moving in with him officially?
Mama, you want me to marry him?
You are supposed to marry him now. Or you don't want to marry him?
Mama, I'm not in love with him. I just love his money, that's why. I'm in love with somebody else, Mama. Yes.
Okay, you don't love him. You are in love with his money. Wait, let me tell you something you do not know. You know I am more experienced than you in this business. Once there's money, and you love money, The love for the money is enough for every other love you need in that marriage. What am I saying? Get ready and marry that man. Up and immediately.
Mama, I know what you want. A rich in-law. That's all you want. Money. Money. Mama, don't worry. Don't worry yourself. I got you.
They want you. You know about this saying? A bird at hand is worth more than millions in the bush. That's my fear. Don't worry you.
So you don't trust me? You don't even trust your daughter that you trained? Mama, you don't trust me? You think I'm a fool? All those money you see me throwing around, where do you think I get it from? You think it's only Emeka? There are more people than Emeka. Yes. So don't worry yourself. I would give you money. I will get you a rich in-law. I will marry a rich man, a wealthy man who has money to spend. You want money, right? You want car, big house. You want to be eating chicken. You know me now. I trust you, my daughter. I'm going I trust. I know what you can do. Now you are talking, Mama. See, what we'll do, let's just keep Emeka where he belongs.
Okay, immediately.
Yes. Mama, you like money. Mommy ego. Oh, Mama ego. Money. Wait for us. Mama, please. Don't worry yourself. You have nothing to fear. I would make sure you enjoy yourself. Money, Mama.
When we thought it was all over, when we are all happy and celebrating his change, and then he decides to go back to his normal ways again.
Name. He didn't go back to his normal ways. It became worse.
Do you know my husband looked me in the eyes and told me that he's not in love with me, that he has never loved me? Arabam. After everything I did for him, after all my sacrifice, all my impute, Chukwuemeka decided to choose a prostitute over a wife, a liability over an asset, a slut over a prayerful, virtuous woman. If not for me, he wouldn't have been where he is today. But he decided to forget everything. Ochefuru yesterday. Onemanyosom, I never loved you. Hey, but it's okay. It is okay. There is no point crying for what is gone. I had already given up on that marriage. I had given up on love. Let him go with the love of his life. Nyagaban no can zuike once and for all. Onye don't do me love. Susanna. Before my time.
Susanna, it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Stop enumerating all these things. It will keep breaking your heart over and over again. Just let it go.
My dear, my heart has seen it all. What is it I've not seen? This my heart is shattered already. In a koku breaking. Nothing breaks me anymore. Whatever happens now, just look at it and smile. Because I've seen worse. My experience in my matrimonial home is something I never wish. I will never wish even my worst enemy. Igan on a mansion. There is money. You have husband, but you're living like a widow.
I know. It's okay. Everyone knows this. Oh? Mana, I don't like here. Yes, I don't like this place at all. I have discussed with my husband before coming here, and he has agreed to give you and your children a room in our house.
Don't worry.
Oh?
Don't bother yourself. You know me, I don't like being parasite now. I don't like being a so. This is my great parents' house. This is where I was living before I met Emeka and fell in love. Don't worry yourself. Nothing will happen to me. I'm comfortable here. Is it not me that trained Emeka? Is it not me that helped him to actualize his goal? Don't worry. I will just make sure that I am very hardworking. I will save some money, then I will take it up from there. Don't bother yourself. Oh? And moreover, you people have done so much for my children and I. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate. I wonder what I would have done without you guys.
It's okay, what our best is for. If I don't do it for you and your kids, who will I do it for? Eh? Hey.
Nedalo, it is well already for me to have come out with my life. When you went to bar first, life.
But in case you change your mind, you can come over. Oh,
don't worry, I'm always here. I can always visit you too. It's not a problem. It's not a problem.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart. Onyezekam gakoro.
Jinaka, Okarire goa, Yemu Jinaka, Oboku Chineke, Yem Jinaka, Okarire go, Yemu Jinaka, Oboku Chineke.
See the pain I'm being through, all because of love. Each step is so painful. Honestly, I'm lost. The loneliness I face, the endless tears I shed, my heart is torn apart. Onyezekam gakoro.
Mom, what is wrong with you?
Mom, won't we go to school today?
Mommy, aren't you going to eat today?
Mommy, wake up. Come and talk to us. Mommy, talk to us. Mommy. What do we do now? Who do we call?
I don't know.
Mommy, please wake up now. Mommy, we're already late for school.
Yes.
Mommy, now, mommy, wake up.
Is this not happiness and her brother Mika's children? Pure water! Pure water! Pure water! Come. Come! What is this? There is nothing good about this afternoon. Now, who gave you this thing to sell? Where is your mother and why you need to go to school? Why?
My mother is very sick. She can't talk. She can't even open her mouth. She can't even open her eyes. We're so hungry that we took some sachet pure water so that we could sell and get some money to buy food.
Yes, sir.
Emeka! It will never be well with you. For bringing these children into this world and allowing them to suffer when you can actually afford their education and give them a good life. So, why didn't people come to my house to tell me or my wife what happened to your mother? Why? What have you eaten?
We ate only biscuits and drank water.
Biscuit and water! Oh. Listen, both of you, this is the first and the last. You won't sell this water again. Do you understand me? Huh? We are living here right now. Come on. Now, oh yeah, let's go. Madam, I'm coming. They come. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I don't want to stay. What really happened?
She didn't wake up early to prepare us for school. When we woke up, we saw her lying like this. We tried waking her up, but no response.
It's okay. It's fine. Alright? Nothing will happen to your mother. So I will go out there to get a car so I can take her to the hospital. I'll drop it with my wife. She'll take care of you people. Alright? You'll be fine. Now, don't go anywhere.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. I'm coming, alright?
Okay,
don't go
sir.
anywhere. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay?
Mom, please wake up now. If we tried waking up, how was she able to?
We'll have to run series of tests on her to ascertain what the problems are. For now, we will not commence treatment on her till the test results are out by tomorrow.
So, doctor, can I see her now?
Sure, you'll have to be around. She'll need to see a familiar face by the time she wakes up.
It's fine, I'm around. I'll just hang around. Just monitor so I can see her.
Okay.
Thank you, doctor. How are you?
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, how is she now?
She hasn't woken up till now.
Hey.
Yes, the doctor suggested I leave. That she'll be awake by morning. And by then, all the test results will be out.
Child, you have really tried for your friend though. God will bless you.
What friend are you talking about? Emeka? You think I'm doing all these things because of Emeka? Yes, I'm doing all this because of Susanna and her kids. When I see Emeka, which friend? Nah. By the way, where are they?
They're inside sleeping.
Oh, are they eating?
Sure, I'm giving them food.
That's nice. I trust you.
Sit down while I get your food for you. Oh, I know you must be stressed.
Wife. Well, actually. Alright, I'm waiting.
I'm right back. Oh.
Yeah.
She has malaria. She has typhoid. She's 6 weeks pregnant. Her blood pressure is high.
Chai.
Where is her husband and why is he not taking care of her?
Doctor, just talk to me. Forget about that fool, please.
Well, she has accumulated a lot of sicknesses and no medication, no checkups, nothing.
So, doctor, what's the way forward?
We'll have to commence treatment immediately, and you also need to make more payments.
It's fine. So, first things first, can I see her?
Ah, fine.
So I should ask the assistant desk. Yes. Thank you. Ne. How are you doing?
You're getting better, thank you.
Good morning.
How about my children?
They are fine. They've gone to school. My wife took them to school, and after school, she'll bring them here. Alright?
Thank you so much. May God bless you and your wife for me.
Thank God you're responding. Excuse me. Emeka, big baby. The only thing you know how to do is to just live with this woman and put her in family way. You don't care about her well-being. Listen, the wife almost died yesterday. Oh, you're asking me how I knew? Okay. Now I saw your children hawking at the market square yesterday. I saw them hawking. Emeka, your own children hawking. Emeka, you that is very rich. Now, they said she's unconscious in the house. I had to go to the house yesterday, picked her, and thank God I even came. Brought her to the hospital only for the doctor to tell me that she's so down with malaria, typhoid, Emeka, high blood pressure, and to crown it all, she is pregnant with your own child. Listen, doctor asked me to deposit money. I deposited 100,000 and they need 200,000 and they need more money for other things too. So please, why am I even saying please? It's your wife. So send 200,000 naira. You have my details, my account details. So send it. Nonsense. It's fine. It's fine. You'll be alright, okay? You will send the money. I have deposited 100,000 already. Okay?
My babies. Missed you.
I miss you too.
How was school today?
Fine.
Thank God you're awake. How are you feeling now? Sister, I'm a lot better. I don't even know how to start appreciating you and your husband. May God bless you guys for me. Thank you. Amen. Amen. And my children, who asked you and your sister to go and hawk pure water? Eh? Why did you go to hawk pure water?
We were hungry. And you didn't say anything.
But we have money in that room now, eh? We have money in that room. What if one reckless drunk driver had knocked one of you on the road, getting Marco? What would I have said? Please, Big Open. Both of you know you are all I have. Unanano, are you listening to mommy? Yes. Please don't hawk pure water next time. Biko, no matter the situation, just go and meet your auntie. Don't hawk pure water. Come you over. Oh, you know mommy loves you, right?
Yes.
Susanna, let's go. Eh? It's okay. God actually used their innocent move to save your life. Okay? To me, I don't think there's need you blaming anyone here. We should thank God for saving your life. Right. Oh, I love my babies.
I love you too. I love you too.
It's okay, everything will be fine.
Doctor, the bill is too much. Please, can you do something about it?
You say it's not our fault. The price of things has skyrocketed in the market. It's affecting everyone generally.
I know, doctor, but there must be something you can do about this. Please, like I said earlier, I'm not her husband. He travels, not around. I'm just a concerned citizen trying to save a life.
Well, you've done so well. But you see, we are not running a charity organization here. Meet the cashier to 2-year discount of 10,000 naira. That's all I can do for you.
It's fine. Thank you.
How did it go?
He only discounted 10,000 naira.
God. So, how do I raise the money now?
How do you raise the money? Emeka will send it now. He will send it.
Are you sure?
Hold on. Inya, your wife has been discharged and we have a balance of 80,000 naira. So you have my account, so just send it so we can leave this place right now.
I just wish there's a way I'll settle this bill without involving Chukwuemeka. I just wish, man, I had the back.
Involving Chukwuemeka? What are you saying? He needs to be involved. He put you through all this. A man that knows how to climb a lady and impregnate her should also know how to pay hospital bills. Make her more down, he will send the money. He will send it. Hope you're feeling better right now.
What do you call that?
You're fine. Send it.
Susanna, please, Biko. If you can listen to me, take these children back to their father's house.
Mama, Eunice, what are you even begging me for? To take my children back to a place where we are not loved, cared for, or valued? Is that what you're telling me? Of course we live in a mansion, but we don't wear good clothes. We don't eat good food. My husband don't care about me or my children. I had already given up on that relationship or marriage. He should go ahead with the love of his life. They can continue. You see, for me, no. I'd rather be in the bush than be in a mansion where my husband is not treating me right.
Susanna, have you considered the baby in your womb?
Exactly.
I understand. Don't worry. I will give birth and take care of my child. For my children, I'll make sure they are comfortable.
You say she's not your spec of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day.
She never come. Nobody will come.
Since the time she left?
Nobody don't come. All of you.
Wow. It's all right. Oh my goodness. What? Is this exactly how it feels to be free? Wow. I feel free. Freedom! Oh, goodness. Imagine living with someone you have no iota of love for. Someone you don't feel anything for. But you have no choice than to live with her because simply she helped you in the past. God, that was a trying time for me. Well, at the moment, it's time to bring in the one I love. Place that picture somewhere. Okay, I'll get rid of this picture, then I'll put her picture here. I feel good. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. I feel like a birthday. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. Feel good. Feel good. I got a new. Boom, 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 boom. Feel good. Feel good. Oh, 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 feel good. Oh, 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 feel good. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I feel good. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. I feel like a birthday. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Feel good. Feel good. I gotta bless you. Bum, 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 bum.
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful, not ready to be caged. All I need now money.
Babe, take this. For this is a symbol of my unending love for you. Come the rain, the sun, and the moon, I shall spend my entire life with you. Love is not that beautiful until you came my path.
Charlie. Charlie. You be machine. Thank you for this. I enjoyed everything.
I know, right? Sweetheart, I told you you're gonna like it.
I know, right?
You get really where you like it.
I turned my head upside down. Try.
Sweetheart, come to think of it, what if Alaji finds out?
Leave it. Alaji is not even my problem. Alaji is far away in Abuja, so he won't even find out anything. My main problem is Emeka. Emeka is that guy stalks me. That guy is stalking me. Like, I don't know what to do with that guy.
Are you talking about the same Emeka that got you that car?
Yes. Emeka is in love with me. In fact, he wants to marry me.
Then, that's jackpot. He wants to marry you, right? See what we're going to do. Accept his proposal. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Babe, are you listening to me?
Yes. I'm listening. I'm just...
Wait, accept his proposal. That way, he's going to bring you into his life. You will now have access to his bank details, his documents, his properties, everything that belongs to him. Now, the next step you do is to follow my plan, which is what? To kill him, then you fly away out of the country. That way, you're going to make enough money out of him. I'm telling you the truth.
I should... Well... I don't need to wait for him for us to get married. I can move into his house. After all, the wife and the kids no longer lives in the house. So it's just for me to initiate the plan when he comes back this weekend. And we start from there.
You have a point there. But see how we're going to do it. Before all this plan is going to gazette, we're going to make plans for your passport to be ready. So once you kill him, once you execute him, you fly him out of the country. But then, as the master plan of this game, now this game that we're going to do between the both of us, as the master planner, I'm going to have 20% of anything you get out of him. Just 20%.
20% is too much. Do 10%. 10% is okay.
What's too much? Just 20% out of everything you're going to get out of him. Do you know how rich that guy is? 20%. They do.
Okay. 20% is fine. I'll give you 20%. So all you need to do is draw the plan, prepare whatever needs to be in place, and I'll do the rest.
Alright. See, I don't trust you. If I'm coming tomorrow, I'm going to bring an agreement between the both of us so that if you start misbehaving, I'll hold you to it.
Agreement?
I'm going to bring agreement form for us to sign. Do you accept or not?
You want me to kill Emeka? To take his property?
I should get the agreement form, right?
Okay.
Alright, now let's finish.
What are we finishing? Charlie, you didn't lock my door when you came in earlier.
How was I?
Charlie? Who left this here?
Engagement ring and a flower. Were you expecting anyone?
Emeka. Emeka. Thank God. That means he heard everything we discussed inside. Hey.
Yes, he did.
Oh my goodness. Oh. Emeka was coming to engage me. He knows I like surprises.
See, you can't be very sure about this, okay? Just calm down, right?
I can't be sure about what? It's only Emeka that would have done this. You're telling me I can't be sure about it. Please, please, please. Because of 5 minutes love making, I have messed my chances up. If you had locked the door, maybe this wouldn't have happened.
I was high.
Please excuse me.
Babe, I was high now. Can you calm down, please?
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful, not ready to be kissed.
Young lady, who is the owner of this car?
What's going on here? What is it? This is my car.
Answer him.
This is my car. I've been using it for months now. My boyfriend bought me this car, please. Officer, don't embarrass me.
This car is striking by the owner at this point. Can you follow us to the station?
No, I can't follow you to the station. I have been driving this car for the past 4 months. And I own the car.
Will nobody dispute you?
Okay. Just give me a few minutes. Let me call my boyfriend, please. Babe, pick up this call. It's just hold on, please. I think he's busy. He's gonna pick the call. Switch. Officer, just give me time, eh? He's busy at the office. He will pick the call. But just hold on. Just hold on. This guy is mine. So I don't know where the misconception came from. It's mine.
Get in, let us go to the station.
Oh, officer, just...
Get in, let us go to the station.
Officer, hold on now.
Get in, let us go to the station.
Stop embarrassing me.
Enter the car, let's go to the station. Get here.
Okay. This guy is not a stolen car. Eh? Officer, it's not a stolen
Let's
car.
go to the station.
I be happening, baby. Take a good look at me. So beautiful, not ready to be kissed. All I need now money. I know you're feature if you fall in love.
Girls. Hey. Wait. Could it be that she has been driving a stolen car? Who knows?
None of the above. I know what played out.
What was that?
The boyfriend that bought her this car came with a flower and an engagement ring. He said that she was with another man. So he got angry and called those policemen. He left.
Hey! Gamma wants to use style and collect back his car.
She dey play now.
Who wants to lose on both sides?
Oh, wow, all these girls. Tire for not tire for me.
Hey! That's where this my eye no go see.
They play. I dey go away.
Wonder.
God. So this is how I would have used my own hands to buy my death. I don't know why you love me this way. Father in heaven, can I even thank you enough for loving me the way you do? You have always been there for me. Even when my mother died, you sent Susanna into my life. I didn't feel the gap that my mother's death could have created because you already sent a substitute into my life. Even when death came knocking, when death came calling, you used the same Susanna to save my life. God, please. I am sorry.
Emeka. I'm here.
Oh, Susanna. Hey.
You are getting weaker and weaker every day. Are you sure you are alright?
Yeah, I'm fine. Sit down. Sit down.
Okay.
I'm fine. Do you know what it means to lose the only person in your life? My mother is the only family I had ever since my father died. No uncle, no aunt, not even siblings. No one.
But you know me now, eh? And I'm here for you. I'm here for you now.
Thank you. Thank you, okay?
Anyway, I brought this food for you.
Food?
Yes. So you can get some strength, eh?
Okay, thank you. Boss, just keep it. Let me go ease myself, okay? Alright, let's keep the food.
Emeka! Wake up, stand up. Hey! What's all this now? Emeka, stand up! Hey! What can I call this? Emeka, stand up now! Somebody help! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Emeka, please stand up! No! Emeka, stand up! Somebody help me! Somebody help me! Mama, you need to stand up!
You need to call any of your parents. I would like to talk with them.
Hey, Doctor, tell me what the problem is. I'm the one to take care of everything now.
You want to do what?
To take care of everything, yes, me.
I don't understand. How can a small girl like you be the one to take care of everything? Where are your parents?
Doctor, this question is a long story, doctor. Doctor, this is a long story. Somebody is dying here, doctor.
Actually, he needs blood transfusion. I don't know what happened. I don't know why he ran shortage of blood. As I speak to you now, his blood is as low as 25%.
Hey!
If you are unable to carry out this blood transfusion in the next 24 hours, it might be very catastrophic.
Hey, doctor. Hey, what will I do now? Hey, doctor, they say my blood can donate to everybody now. Hey, check if I have enough blood so you can take some blood from me, eh?
Okay, you are O positive.
Yes, doctor.
Okay, then the nurse will have to run some tests on you. If you are good, like you said, you're O positive, then I think we have to start from there.
Hey, doctor, call the nurse now. Now, let's start this thing immediately, eh? Where's the nurse?
Don't worry, the nurse will attend to me now. She'll be with you shortly.
You said she's not your spec of a woman. You said She's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she
God, will you ever forgive me? Look at how He sent an angel into my life. Someone who was ready to sacrifice everything she has just to make sure that I'm fine. I abused this very angel God brought into my life and pursued after death that would have ended up killing me one day. Ever since I started going out with this girl called Doris, it has been from one spending to another spending to another spending, and so on and so forth. She has never given me anything except her body, and that's the only thing that she brings to the table. I was so blind to see the handwritings on the wall. So blind. God, please forgive me. Forgive me for neglecting the beautiful gift that you brought into my life without any stress. Thank you for sending an angel into my life. Thank you for using that same angel to save me from the hands of death, the one that would have killed me. My sins are ever before me. I have sinned against you, Father. Give me another chance to fix this. Please, I am sorry. No.
Why didn't he just come straight and collect his car by himself? Eh? Why the drama? Why the embarrassment? I can't even go back to the hostel because the shame was just too much. Hey!
Hey, this girl, but why did you do that? Why did you make such a heinous mistake? You brought a man into your house to do the do. He opened open. Why? Why did you open the door? You're a smart girl. Hey, now you fuck up, oh. Honestly, now you fuck up. Do you open the door? Make sure it's here. Eh? You lock the door so that nobody will come in. You make sure you open the door. Hey.
This is no time for blames. Huh? I know I messed up. I've had too much embarrassment already. Eh? Imagine somebody driving a car, suddenly seeing jumping Okada. Mama, this is shameful.
It's very, very shameful. Mana, don't you think you should go and beg him? You may decide to beg him, or decide to forgive you because you know, he will forgive you. Just try.
Mama. It is more than just seeing me with a man.
Hey, I knew it. I knew there's something you're not telling me about this situation. I knew it. Doris. Anyways, the only thing that does not have any solution is death. And Madam Umbe, there's no death, yes, right? There must be a way around it. Hey, I must do something about this. I want immediately.
Seriously, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I went to decide the other day now to also to make money. I don't know.
Don't kill yourself.
Like, it can't go.
Do the ones that you can do and leave the rest for God. Yes, okay.
What have you come here to do? What are you looking for?
I have not come here to make issues with you people. Please, just hear me out. Please, I beg you.
Look at this one, oh. Look at this one. Listen, I have told my husband not to have anything to ever do with you again. Before you corrupt his mind. Evil communication, they say, corrupts good manners. Stay away from him. Don't ever come here again, Biko. Flock order.
Please, just calm down and hear me out. Just hear what I have to say. The truth of the matter is I have actually sinned against God and against man. In my sins and atrocity, God still proved to me that He loves me so much not to allow me die untimely. I have wronged my wife and my children, and I have knelt before God Almighty and asked Him for forgiveness. And I promise I will never in any way treat my wife and children bad ever again. Please, I beg you both, let me take my wife and my children back home.
And who says they are here? Your wife and your kids are not here. Go and look for them. They are not here.
So, where could they be?
Why are you asking that stupid question?
Where could they be?
Go and look for them.
Leave there and go look for your family.
They're not here.
Susanna.
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 My friend, leave here.
Susanna, I'm sorry. Please come, let's go.
If I go inside there and be my mic,
Susanna, I know you can hear me.
Susanna is not here. Leave
Susanna, come, let us go. Susanna, pick up. I am sorry. Susanna, pick up. Oh, Susanna, can you hear me?
I'll be fine, girl, ready to cash out anytime. Really go to what I'll be fine, girl, ready to cash out anytime. Maintenance it be costly. I'll be fine, girl, ready to cash out.
My sister, this one, now from grace to grass, it no shock you. I swear. This one papers breakfast. This one a brunch. I break mix to lunch. Okay. Let's go, please.
Ready to cash out anytime.
Hello, Mama. I think I've made up my mind. Yes. I will follow you to that place. Yes, Mama. Okay, Mama. No problem. All right, Mama.
don't have a house.
What do you mean you don't have a house? You should come from somewhere.
It's not a house, it's a hut.
A hut? You mean a mud house and a thatch roof?
Yes.
Wait a minute. Do people still dwell in that kind of house in this generation?
That's where I live.
Good. Can you at least take me to this hut?
It's not necessary.
It is necessary.
No.
Listen, our destinies appeared to be the same. Same fate, same life, and even same hope of survival. Okay?
You said she's not your speck of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you? What about the sacrifice that she made for you? Where's your conscience? Where's your conscience? In your foolishness, you betrayed her love and reality. In your little mind, you think you are wise and so smart, but you are digging a grave, an early grave for yourself. Better think twice, lest you lose a gold for a bride. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you? What about the sacrifice that she made for you? Where is your conscience? Where is your conscience?
It's almost finished. Go Fiona.
Why is Emeka calling you? Eh? Why is this useless Emeka calling you?
Buy pure water, pure water. Go pure water, go and see Alpha. God pure water. It's all about God. You people are rushing me. You people are rushing me. Thank you. What about customer? I'm fine.
Why is she not picking her call? Why is her phone switched off? Why would she switch off her phone? Why? Why would she turn off her phone? Susanna, why would you put your phone off now, please? Where do I even go from here again? How do I get out of this? Gosh, switched off. Susanna, why would your phone be off, Susanna? Please, why would you turn off your phone? I don't even know where I'm going anymore. Where is all this place now? I've never been to this part of this village all my life, but I have to do this for the first time in search of Susanna.
No, which please now, make I go there, go call who for you. Close your mouth. You get what is something in your mouth? Close your mouth. No, you won't tell me, say, now you be happiness and Sonny Papa.
Yes, I am their father.
How now? How? You not possible, sir. See the kind of way they drive. How? You not possible. Not be happiness. They take uniform. You be that Papa.
Please, whatever grudge you owe against me as their
father.
Father,
you don't know what they do you.
Just call them. I am their father, believe me.
Happiness, why I know that they beg. If they come school safe, if they see that all that shit they eat, they do longer throat. So can't I say, I mean they buy biscuit they give them. They go there so can't time so reach evening. If their mama come back, come carry them. To even pay school fees safe, now problem. So can't time say they go drive them like how many times before she come beg. You come take like almost 1 month before they come pick the money small. You carry motor come. Say na you be their papa. What is your mission? No, tell me. No, talk to me. What is your mission? Okay, they say they don't reach. You know now, all the rich valley says they don't reach, abi. See, as I see you like this now, if you not come out, if I will call police, I go first shout. Make I shout.
You don't have to do that now, please, my brother, please.
Ritual.
It's okay.
Ritual.
No, I'm leaving. It's okay. I'm going.
No, Chris. No, see you. No, smoke. No. Ah. See this one, no. Ritualist. Before you walk kidnap, that's it not rich. I'm their father. So their father go kill you. Let them come for work.
No, that's my Mom, Daddy is here. What are you doing here?
I am sorry. Forgive me. Please.
How did you find us here?
I have waited patiently. I've been trailing you from the time you picked the children from the school. Obi, please, forgive me. Biko.
You must be very stupid. You must think your useless sorry mean anything to me at this point in time. I don't care about you. I don't care about your love. Okay, for love, if you know what is good for your miserable life, take your car and leave this place immediately. I will tell them that you're kidnappers and you know what that will be to you.
I have offended you and I have offended God Almighty.
Please. Let's go inside.
Obi, don't do this.
Don't touch me.
Please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Obi, please. Please don't. Obi, please. Obi, please. Oh, please, let's go back home. My life is empty without you. Please, I beg you. I am sorry. I swear I will treat you better than I've done in the past. I will never let that happen again in our home. I'm very sorry, please. I am a changed man. I swear I've changed. I've changed. Please, I beg you. Please come. I am sorry. Bobby Pico, I have changed, please. Please come. Let's go back to our home.
Jesus Christ. Emeka, what are you doing here by this time of the night?
Sorry. I thought that there's no way I would live here without you. I can't go back to my normal life if I don't get your forgiveness. That's why I decided to stay back away from you.
Why you decided to stay here at this time of the night, outside here? What if snake or any of these creepers bites you?
At this point in time of my life, safety doesn't mean anything to me. I mean, what is life without your existence in me?
I'm forgiving you. You can go. You can start going back to your house, please. Just go. I'm forgiving you.
There is no way I can go back to the house without you and the children. I can't leave you people here. I can't even spend the night.
Emeka, what exactly do you want?
I want you and the children.
You don't want me. You said it to my face that you don't love me. You told me you do not have any iota of feelings for me.
I am sorry for everything I've said wrong to you before now. I want you and the kids back to my life, please. I was mistaken at that point. I just realized the gift that you have been in my life. See, God used you to bless me. I was so blind. I don't know what I was doing. Please forgive me, please. I want you so badly in my life. You are a blessing to me. We are meant to be together as man and wife. I was so blinded. I was deluded by the situation. Please. Obin,
please go back to your girlfriend. We are not interested.
Obin, Pico, Obin, please. Obin, please. I beg of you.
Leave me alone.
Please forgive me. I am a changed man. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. Please forgive me, Obin, because you don't forgive me. Please forgive me.
You started begging me again.
Please.
This is what you always do. Allow me to go. You don't love me. You don't want to treat me right. Each time I leave, you come begging, crying. When I come back to you, you will continue maltreating me. Just let me go.
Pico, I have realized that you're the best thing that ever happened to my existence. Please.
All of a sudden.
Because I love people, please. Please, I am sorry, please. Forgive me, please. I am sorry. Please.
Why you did this to me?
I'm sorry.
I'm asking you why you did this to me. Because you know I love you. Because you know I love you, that's why you're haunting me. I'm sorry. When I come back to you, you will start treating me bad again. Don't I deserve to be loved? Why are you treating me like this?
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry, please. Please come back.
It's okay, just stand up. I cannot stand to see you prostrate for me like this. And I love you too much. That's why you're taking advantage of my love. Just stand
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. What are you doing with the bags? Bring it.
Our clothes now, our things.
I don't think you'll be needing this anymore. Okay, from here I'm taking you all to a boutique where we're going to shop. From your Your clothes, your shoes, your bags, everything is going to be brand new. So anything you have anywhere, just forget about it. They're all things of the past. I am buying you people's set of clothes. Everything is going to be brand new. The things I didn't do in the past, from this moment, it will be done to any extent you all want it to be done. Please, Obi, I just want a chance to prove to you that I'm a changed person. I want to rewrite the wrongs that I've done to you, please.
Okay. This is how you've been begging. But it's not a problem.
Obi, trust me. This is not like before. I am a changed man. Across my heart, God gave me a chance to rewrite the wrongs I've done. Please.
Okay, I will see.
Please, let's go to the car. Oh.
Okay.
No, just leave it. Leave everything. Leave everything. Come. Please come.
Oh, Gugu! Ike, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. What do you want Ogugu to do for you?
Baba, please, I want you to tie this man and help me put him in a spiritual bottle. I want my daughter here to be the one in charge of his life. I want my daughter to say whatever he does in his life. Whatever my daughter says, he must do it. That's what I want you to do for me.
Ogugu! Ogugu! They have made their demands. Drop his picture there. Drop it! Ogugu. Ana Manu. Ana Manu. Have this. Take it. That ointment. You must ensure you make love to him, rubbing that ointment on your private parts. And after the love making, he shall become your puppet and your servant for life.
Baba, me and him, we are not in good terms. Don't worry, Baba. Baba, don't worry, okay? We are going to do as you said. I think you say you should apply it in a private part before going to...
You have 3 days. Just 3 days to do this assignment. Else the oil will turn up against you.
Baba, I don't worry. Thank you so much, Baba. Thank you. We are very grateful.
Go! Oh, Gugu! Oh, Gugu! Oh, Gugu! Ana Manu.
Mama, wait. Mama,
Why did you collect that thing from that man? I was trying to explain to him. You did not allow me. Please, I don't want to die now. I do not want to die now, Mama.
I did not allow you to talk to the man because I know you are going to confess negative. What else are you going to tell him?
He caught me in bed with another man. He's angry with me. Hey, I don't even know if I'll be able to convince him to sleep with me. Oh, wait for the children.
So I didn't want you to say all those things. I didn't want negativity at all. Forget this. I told you to relax. Leave it to me. I will do everything and settle everything, and this man will be with you. Inside the same room and on the same bed and never na baba.
What are you going to do? How?
Everything, do you want me to say everything outside? Let's go home. I don't know why you stood me here.
Mama, I need to know if it's something that is possible. And if not, so that we'll go back and meet the man. Please, Mama, tell me.
Okay. It's simple. The man will be going back to Port Harcourt on Monday morning, right?
Yes.
Good. Sunday evening, you are going to go to the man's house. Tell the gate man that you want to see his Oga. Case closed. Go inside. Everything in order.
Mama, the gate man does not know me. I have never been to his house. Never.
I thought you are smart. What is the big deal? If you go to the gate man's post, tell the gate man that you are this man's fiancé. Once he opens the gate for you, if you go inside to see this man, strip yourself naked before he comes out. I know that no man, no matter how angry the man is, will see this contour. He will not be able to resist this contour. And don't go
Mama, but how are you sure that the gate man would allow me to go see him? How are you sure he will open the gate for me to go inside and see him? How are you sure?
Doris,
Mama.
Doris, are you no longer a woman? Use everything within your powers as a woman to make the gate man allow you go see this man. Use your powers as a woman and make the gate man allow you go see the man. I'm tired of all your questions. I want to go home.
Okay, what about the oil that the man gave me? What will I do with it?
That one. You see that oil? You are going to apply it. After applying it, you at home, you now go to see the man. Because it will even make you alert. Knowing very well that I've already applied it, you will do everything to make sure you sleep with that man.
So I will apply inside?
Yep. Inside. Everything.
Okay, Mama.
So let's go home.
Yes,
it should be here under the sun.
I never see you for this place before. I never see you. You never come to this house before.
Yes, I stay with him in Port Harcourt. I don't often come here. Yes. Just tell him it's Doris, his fiancé. Just go and tell him, please.
Fiancé?
Yes.
Ha!
GF!
Madam!
Who's there?
Who's that?
Na Moga wife now.
Which wife?
Moga get wife and 2 children don't grow for this house.
Yes, I know he has a wife and 2 kids, but they left a month ago.
Don't be saying Oga pursue them. Then go, Oga go bring them come back yesterday. Then they ask.
Hey, whoa.
So she dey come. They go. Oh, she dey come. Madam.
Who is there?
Now one girl, she said she look for Oga. And then I Doris.
Do what?
Doris.
Get out. Where is that stupid girl? Okay, she has gone. See, I don't want to see her here again. Don't you dare. In fact, I'll report you to my husband. Molly!
She just... Hey.
That stupid girl, Doris, is here.
Doris?
That stupid girl, yes, she's here.
Where is she? Where is she?
Ask GF.
GF! Where is she? Where is Doris? Okay, she don't go. You said what? She don't run. Where is Doris? She don't run. She has gone? Where is she? See, let me tell you something. If I see that girl anywhere in this house, I will kill the girl and kill him for opening the gates. Yes, sir. Nonsense. Yes, Oga. Let me see her anywhere around this neighborhood again, and I will deal with you.
My mother has killed me. My mother has killed me. What am I going to do now? And I've rubbed the oil. And the wife is back. I don't know he has brought them back at all. Hey, God. And tomorrow he's going back to Port Harcourt if I don't get to see him. Hey, trouble. I have just one day. One day. One day. But you told me that he sent them away. You told me he sent them away, Kenzie. Mama, yes, he did. Everybody in the village knows that they left the house. The gate man said he suddenly went and brought them back. Doris, Mama, listen to me. You have to go back there. You have to go back there and see that man. Just go back there. Go back there and see that man. How? She's there in the house. Yeah, I don't know. Just find a way to get inside there. You're a woman. Just find a way and get inside the house. And see that man. You need to see that man. Mama, can you hear yourself talk? Yeah, just maybe you should hear yourself. What will I achieve going back to the house when the woman is in the house? What will I achieve? Eh? Oh, I don't even know what I'm saying again. Mama, I told you. Mama, I told you. I said, let me explain to the native doctor. You refuse. He said, let them do it like that. Shut up. Don't even blame me. Don't even try to blame me at all. If you are not stupid enough to bring a man into your room and leave the door open, we will not be in this mess now. We won't be in this mess. You're a very stupid girl. You just messed everything up. Then by now, we'll be planning your surprise now. But no, you have messed everything up. You have messed everything up, stupid girl. Don't blame. Don't even blame me again. Hey, is this how I'm going to die? Hey. You get like this time. Fine now. Is this how I'm going to die? Is this how I'm going to die? Hey, God, Mama.
This woman, come on for here. Moga dey inside. See, as he come out, that's what Moga come out. As hear your name, Doris. Hey, that's why Rush come out. He was saying see you. He for kill you. Come on for here.
You need to help me. Take me to him. I need to see him. Please help me. Just take me to him.
Moga say if I open this gate for you, he go kill you, kill me. I love my life.
See, you need to help me because I need to make love to him tonight.
Jesus!
Yes! If I don't make love to him, things will spoil.
Hey!
Please take me to him, I beg. Just take me to him.
Which day body of this guy?
Now.
The guy which?
Hey, let's go inside.
Go inside, do it.
Let me pass. I want
this guy which day your body? Moga dey come. Your wife dey inside though.
Stop. See, I want to see Oga. Oga needs to make love to me, I beg.
How now?
Okay, will you help me?
Help me for here.
Maybe you will help me.
Which day your body?
Maybe you should help me.
The friend will go kill.
You help me.
The friend will go.
Come now. Come and help me.
Ah! This guy get wish for body. Moga don't get that one chance.
I be happening, baby. Take good look at me. So beautiful.
Mama,
not ready to be caged.
Emeka, where is Emeka? I'm wet now. Emeka, come.
All I need now money.
I'm wet.
Emeka needs to come. Feature.
Hey. Come here, Emeka, for me now. I should go.
I'm allergic to poverty. I be fine. Ready to cash I know they talk to poor men. I be fine, girl. Ready to cash out anytime. If you show up, I trap you. I be fine, girl. Ready to cash out anytime.
Please, I am wet. I'm wet. Emeka needs to sleep with me.
Ready to cash out anytime. Maintenance.
Who saw Emeka? Please, attention, everybody. Call Emeka for me and tell him Doris is waiting for him. Doris wants to make love. Yeah, she's wet. Yes, call him. Why will I be chasing and looking for Emeka all the time? Whenever I need,
I dey get am. I be fine, get am. Ready to cash out anytime. I be correct runs girl. I be fine girl. Ready to cash out anytime.
Sunny Happiness, where are you guys taking me?
You are the staircase now. Just one leg down, one leg down. Yes, okay, easy. The next one down. Yes. Keep moving. All right, continue. No, come this way. All right, it's okay. Just stand here. So tell me, are you ready for the surprise?
Oh, baby, I'm ready.
Are you ready for the surprise?
Yes.
Bing! This is your new car. That which I have given you from your husband.
Jesus! I can't believe this! Thank you so much! Are you serious?
Go in and see your new car.
Oh, this is beautiful. This is amazing. Timo, I love you. Thank you.
Go and see the car with your mom. Take a look at the car. You like it? If you don't like it, I can get other one for you. Hope you come here.
My love, thank you. Jeff, this is not time for
Jeff, this is, you know what? Just go ahead and see this.
Jeff, open the gates. We are going out to party. My love, Jeff, open the gates.
You said she's not your spec of a woman. You say she's too low for your liking. You see her as a mistake that you make every day. Think again. What about the sacrifice that she made for you? What about the huge price that she paid for you? What about the sacrifice that she made for you? Where's your conscience? Where's your conscience? In your foolishness, you betrayed her love and reality. In your little life, you think you are wise and so smart, but you are digging out